Hi guys, my name is Abbas. Before you watch this week's episode, I very quickly want to address two things. I as in मैं, स्नेहिल और अंतरिक्ष हम तीनों दो चीजें एड्रेस करना चाहते हैं. Firstly, thank you so much to everyone who helped us cross 5,000 subscribers on this channel. Yes, Filmy Kulada has finally crossed 5,000 subscribers. It was something we all were looking forward to. और हमने जो चीज ऑफिशियली प्रॉमिस की थी कि हम इसके सेलिब्रेशन में करेंगे वो हम ऑब्वियसली ऑफ कोर्स करेंगे बहुत जल्द. और सेकेंड थिंग इज दैट आई नो दैट यू ऑल वांट अस टू टॉक अबाउट द बजी रिलीजेस ऑफ द लास्ट 2 weeks, लाइक मैं वापस आऊंगा, कॉकटेल 2, हमने बंदर की भी बोला था कि हम बात करेंगे, और अल्फा का ट्रेलर ड्रॉप हुआ है, बहुत सारी चीजें हुई हैं, लेकिन बिकॉज ऑफ सम फैमिली इमरजेंसी वी कुड नॉट रिकॉर्ड इन द लास्ट कपल ऑफ डेज. तो इन द मीन टाइम हियर्स अ रिकास्टिंग एपिसोड ऑफ द फिल्म 3 Idiots, which was a great episode, very funny episode. As usual, Antariksh's picks are the best. But ये सारी चीजें जो सारे releases हैं जो हमने अब तक बात नहीं करी है, we promise that we will very soon talk about them in next week's episode. We'll do a probably slightly longer episode and cover all these things. Bandar, Cocktail 2, Alpha trailer, and मैं वापस आऊंगा, अंतरिक्ष और स्नेहिल हम तीनों वापस आएंगे और इन सब चीजों के बारे में बात करेंगे. But in the meantime, here's a very fun episode of 3 Idiots Recasted. Enjoy.
Guys, as is the norm in the past few episodes, I wrote a song.
इरशाद
कामिल
सारी उम्र हम मर मर के कह दिए, एक बार तो अब हमें सब्सक्राइब करो, सब करो. wait, there's more.
Yes.
okay.
सारी उम्र हम मर मर के कह दिए, इस छोटे शो को प्लीज ग्रो करो. And the audience said, na 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 na. Give me some episodes.
Give me some reels.
Don't spoil my song. Don't try ad-libbing. When I've been writing for the last 2 hours. Give me some, and the audience continued. Give me some episodes. Give me some plain podcasting episodes I can watch again and again.
Wow.
Give me some content. If you don't want strain, give me some episodes so life's not so mundane.
क्या बात
अपलोड तो बनता है भाई.
Thank you guys. Chalo, I'm off. That's my time.
This was Antariksh's redemption.
Bhai, I bought 3 episodes worth of redemption or something, dude. Welcome to another episode of Pop Conversation. My name is Shaka Don. Bye.
Snail Aneda.
And
Boss moving.
guys, you know there was a second song that I did, right?
Acha, okay.
It goes something like Zooby dooby pam para, Zooby dooby param pam. Zooby dooby, subscribe to Pop Conversation.
पहले वाला अच्छा था.
No doubt. पहले वाला बहुत better.
Yeah, that's why I went with the first one.
Yeah.
But as you know, as is the norm for recasting episodes, I always have 2 options. Yeah.
I thought the response to this will be us singing to the subscribers. जाने नहीं.
देंगे तुझे, जाने तुझे, देंगे नहीं.
And then the
active voice, passive voice.
Yeah, and then the members who leave, you're like, बहती हवा से उड़ती पतंग. Great.
Nice.
Yeah.
Fun.
Life is a race.
Good. If you learn fast, you'll become a Randa.
Okay.
Of the
Guys,
whale bird.
What are we doing today? One of the most anticipated episodes. Anticipated क्या? Nobody knows that. It's a highly requested episode. that nobody is
Anticipated episode वो है जो अब्बास और मेरा फिल्मी गेम शो.
Yeah.
Yes, it's coming out very soon, guys. In about a month or so. Any day now. It's all
Who
out
knows?
there.
By the time this goes out, that episode is also out. We can.
नहीं ऐसा तो
अतिशय मुझे पता है उतना काम
क्या
नहीं
बात कर
करूँगा.
रहा है तू यार? What is this? Don't have realistic expectations. Unrealistic
Sorry.
expectations.
My bad.
Okay, guys. Today, a very important episode. We are recasting one of my favorite movies of all time. One of you guys' favorite. Also, can I say that? Is that fair to say?
Enjoyed it when it came out. Then
Okay,
since
boss.
then.
Favorite movies of all time. 3 Idiots.
ये ना मुझे कभी लगता है अब्बास अगर कभी ऑस्कर जीत जाए वो तो अपनी थैंक यू स्पीच कंप्लीट ही नहीं कर सकता भाई.
Yeah, वो timing
I
शुरू
will
हो
keep shutting the orchestra.
Abbas won't appreciate the award, dude. He'll be like, dude, I'm too indie for this.
ये award जो है ये
Yeah, I want
एकदम
the-
सीधा खड़ा है.
बात है क्या?
I want an Independent Spirit Award, not an Oscar.
Yeah,
award.
Independent Spirit Award. Independent Spirit. John Mulaney and Nick Kroll used to host the Independent Spirit Awards. They hosted a couple of years. Both times have been great. And I remember one of the jokes was that Independent Spirit sounds like someone who you can't describe properly, you know? He has a very independent spirit. You know, like you can't really compliment the person. All right, go watch that. Anyway, guys, after this, we are recasting one of the greatest movies of all time, Three Idiots. A lot to get to. There are about 12 characters. or
10
something?
characters, dude.
10 characters.
I mean, yeah, there were many, but we
were like,
shortlisted
"Bhai,
it down to 10.
Yeah, you'll see.
Hirani,
You'll
रुक
see.
जाओ भाई.
Yeah, correct. Like a lot of what a great ensemble cast. I think the
Amazing.
movie still stands up, like holds up as one of the finest comedies we made.
Yeah.
It's impactful. It has a sweet, awesome message that even the parents understand.
Bro, Abbas actually got
Yeah, correct.
the guts
Yeah,
after
I
watching
am
it.
in the movie.
Dude, the same,
Farhan.
same thing with me. I was doing architecture and I told my parents.
अब्बा नहीं मानेंगे मतलब कि घर
मान
छोड़ा
गए,
होगा,
नहीं
गाड़ी-
मानेंगे।
अब्बा मान गए यार.
घर छोड़ा होगा,
Yeah,
गाड़ी छोड़ी होगी एंड देन his dad goes कि भाई मैंने तो करी है ना मेहनत
correct.
मैंने
तू
तो
chill
बना
कर
लिया ना
ना
घर
तू चिल कर, तू enjoy
chill
कर,
है, क्या
बस
tension
tension क्या? Okay, guys, when was the first time you watched the movie? Was it in theaters?
Yeah, I saw it thrice in theaters.
Thrice in
Yeah,
theaters.
yeah. I was in Bangalore at that time.
फरहान के वो रिलेट करते
No, it was just, bro, it was huge when it opened. And
That was great,
a lot of rewatchability. तो तीनों बार मैं 3 अलग-अलग set of frame. Once with my sister and her then boyfriend. Then and I know that हम उस scene को बहुत criticize करते हैं, the speech वाला scene.
Yeah.
But
Yeah, of course,
in
yeah.
the hall at that time,
Dude,
that scene
people are
used
rolling
to
over, dude.
kill
People are rolling over.
the entire
सच
multiplex.
बताऊं मुझे तब भी थोड़ा weird लगा था.
हाँ भाई, तू तो तब से वो कहना एकदम.
ऑल्सो बिकॉज मैं अपनी फैमिली के साथ गया था ठीक है
मैं भी अपने family के साथ गया था.
तू तो हंस पा रहा था क्या नहीं?
नहीं भाई मैं ऐसे बैठा हुआ था
Dude, my
क्या
mom
चल
was
रहा है?
laughing like crazy, dude, in the theater. Yeah.
नहीं भाई मैं तो बहुत ही वो नहीं होता जब आप कोई मूवी देख रहे हो तो अचानक किसिंग सीन आ जाता है ठीक है
हाँ.
तो फिर
It
आप
wasn't
एकदम
that
ऐसे हो
bad.
जाते हो कि अब ऐसे
Was it that bad for you?
भाई
Yes.
अरे भाई मैं आपको एक स्टोरी बताता हूँ भाई अपन मैं घर में बैठे हैं ठीक है बहुत छोटा हूँ भाई 10 साल का भी नहीं हूँ स्पाइडरमैन 2 आई थी ठीक है मैं मस्त स्पाइडरमैन 2 लगा के
Tobey Maguire वाली?
टोबी मैगवायर वाली
हाँ.
ठीक है स्पाइडरमैन 2 देख रहा हूँ एंड वो वाला सीन नहीं है जब
Upside down.
नहीं वो पहली वाली में
Oh, पहले वाले.
हाँ,
Get your
ठीक-
kisses right, man.
वो वाला
Second
सीन है
में
जो
कौन सा scene
अरे
है?
वो जब शादी से भाग के नहीं आ जाती व्हाइट गाउन में जो
हाँ,
होती है
हाँ.
ठीक है तो अब वहां पे अब मैं तो स्पाइडरमैन देख रहा हूँ मुझे अब मैं मस्त अपने कमरे में बैठ के स्पाइडरमैन देख रहा हूँ ठीक है अब मम्मी वॉक्स इन द मोमेंट दे स्टार्ट किसिंग
Of course. Why else would she walk in?
ब्रो
What other better time would that be?
मुझे मैं पहली बार ही देख रहा हूँ मुझे पता भी नहीं है यहाँ पे ऐसा कुछ आने वाला है मैं मस्त ऐसा टांगे हिलाते हिलाते स्पाइडरमैन देख रहा हूँ
टांगे हिला रहा है क्या?
ठीक है पापा वॉक्स इन एंड शी इज लाइक तू क्या कर रहा है तेरे को मैंने स्कूल से आने के बाद सोने बोला था एंड देन शी सीज द टीवी एंड शी इज
Oh,
लाइक
अच्छा इसलिए नहीं सो रहा क्या? अच्छी बात.
भाई उन्होंने टीवी तो बंद किया ही किया जो मेरा ऐसा गर्दन पकड़ के जो लप्पे लाओ ये देख रहे हो तुम ये चल रहा है तुम्हारे दिमाग में उगे हो नहीं तुम ढंग से ये देख रहे हो
ये तू बच्चा था तब ना before we started rolling Kirti had just come in the room and she was talking about she was watching a show on Amazon
Yeah.
Prime. What was the show?
Off Campus.
Off Campus.
सारे
हाँ.
Off Campus
And
देख
she's
रहे हैं
like
मैंने
the
2 episodes.
in the first 10 minutes there is a scene where a guy is shown his butt
Yeah.
and he's like that's exactly when her mom came in. This is a fully grown married woman. And her mom is like ये क्या देख रहे हो?
And then she's trying to fast forward and Amazon hung with that.
Hang हो गया Amazon. और बोलती मम्मी मैंने आदमियों के बट देखे आदमियों के
तुम्हें आदमियों के कहने की जरूरत नहीं है मम्मी को यार.
You know what the funny part is कि अगर कीर्ति उसको फॉरवर्ड कर भी देती 30 सेकंड बाद एक फुल ब्लोन सेक्स तो इट्स बेटर कि उन्होंने वही देखा है
Nice.
No, there used to be a comedian के एक comedian हुआ करता था
अभी भी है.
अभी भी है so he was when he started he was some 15-16 years old okay तब Game of Thrones was like at its peak तो वो ना हर दिन डाउनलोड करके ना पहले लैपटॉप पे देखता था कहाँ पे से फिर जब रात को देखता था तो उसी टाइम पे वो फॉरवर्ड करता था
that's so
उस
smart,
time
dude. That's so smart. Have you guys also read the book Chetan Bhagat book 5 Point Someone?
yeah
No.
Yeah, I have also one of the. I think one of the more bad books I've read.
No, I
Not-
actually
not
think that and Two States are the only two good
Oh,
books.
Two
he's
States is
written.
actually I
Yeah,
actually enjoyed Two
yeah.
States.
I
5.1
like
I didn't like
5.1
it
also.
that much when
क्या
I
हम
came out. It's
तीनों
way too simple.
ने चेतन भगत के साथ ही रीडिंग स्टार्ट किया था?
नहीं
was
नहीं,
like-
mine was Harry Potter.
मैंने I think probably
Oh, mine was Goosebumps and all these,
Indian
yeah.
fiction
Indian,
I
obviously
started
Indian,
reading
yeah.
with
But I think my
Chetan
first
Bhagat.
book was also Goosebumps.
Mine was Goosebumps. I used to
Probably,
read a lot of Famous Five, Secret Sevens, Enid Blyton.
Yeah, same.
Then I used to read a lot of Valmiki comics. Valmiki बोल रहा हूँ.
Amar
Amar
Chitra
Chitra
Gata.
Gata.
Valmiki comics बढ़िया थे ऐसे.
No.
उन फेवरेट कैरेक्टर कौन था? श्री राम.
Dude, exactly. Amar Chitra.
Valmiki to appeal to younger readers also
Dude,
made
I'm not even kidding. One of my favorite Amar Chitra Gata books was the Valmiki Ramayan ka digital or whatever
Yeah.
comic book
form,
adaptation. And I devoured that book multiple times. I used to love that comic book.
Yeah,
So,
yeah,
it was
yeah.
great.
जैक राइडर पढ़ी है क्या आप लोगों ने?
No, the
Jack Ryder.
dude, our ex-boss was a big fan of Jack Ryder. Jack Ryan.
Jack Ryan, हाँ, sorry,
Yeah,
हाँ, Jack
What's
Ryder.
Lee Child is the author's name, no?
Is
Who
it?
writes
I'm
all
not
those
sure.
novels. Yeah.
Yeah.
I read one of them. Didn't like it. I like more mystery than action in my novel.
और एक
detective
डैन
novels.
ब्राउन बहुत पढ़ा है.
Dan Brown तो हाँ.
तूने पढ़ा है?
obviously.
डैन ब्राउन पढ़ा है.
Oh wow, dude.
Why are you so shocked?
क्या बात है?
Snail doesn't look like the kind of guy who reads Dan Brown, dude. Digital Fortress.
ऐसा घटिया नहीं है
My
भाई.
mind is
Dan Brown holds a very crucial role in my personal life. You know why?
Wait, let me guess. I don't know.
While I was reading Angels and Demons,
Bro, very good film also. मुझे बहुत अच्छी लगती है.
that Angels and Demons, look, while I was reading that book, I had my first kiss in my life.
While reading it, like पढ़ते ऐसा.
As in, yeah, I was in the middle of that.
किस कर लिया था?
And my first ever date movie in my
Wait.
life was The Da Vinci Code. The,
Bro, Da Vinci Code is a
Tom
मुझे
Hanks.
बहुत अच्छी लगती है Da Vinci Code.
First ever
Picture-
date.
Date movie.
Date movie was
Yeah,
Da Vinci Code.
Yeah, the Tom Hanks one.
Tom Hanks हाँ. किताब की बात कर. किताब बहुत अच्छी
किताब Angels and Demons में चुम्बन हुआ था. लेकिन
अच्छा.
मूवी Angels and मूवी Da Vinci
Da Vinci
Code
Code.
देखने
आपको
गए
लेकिन
थे.
दोनों में से बुक बेटर कौन सी लगती है?
Angels and Demons.
आपको Angels and Demons बेटर
Yeah,
लगती है एज अ
yeah,
बुक
as a book.
और एज अ मूवी? दोनों ही खराब.
Movie, most of those are not that great. What was the one after Angels and Demons? He made one more, ना?
हाँ, अब
तीन बनाई
मैं भी
हैं.
उसी का नाम याद करने की
हाँ,
कोशिश कर
वही,
रहा था.
the
इतनी देर
third
से.
one.
The
is
third one. हाँ.
Which also I think I had Irfan Khan, if I'm not wrong. In a
इरफान
small
खान था
role.
उसमें.
Digital
I
Fortress.
think so. No, not Digital
No,
Fortress.
Digital Fortress
Digital
नहीं.
Fortress is not a Robert Langdon movie.
Oh.
Lost Symbol. Lost
Lost Symbol.
Yeah,
Yes,
Lost
you're
Symbol
right,
is a
you're
good
right.
one.
Lost Symbol में वो पूरा इल्यूमिनाटी वाला चीज ब्रेक डाउन करता है ना, या वो एंजल्स एंड डीमंस है?
वो Da Vinci Code है.
वो दा विंची कोड है.
हाँ, Illuminati is Da
बहुत
Vinci
टाइम हो
Code.
गया भाई, देखे
I know,
हुए
yeah, yeah.
सदियां हो गई. ये तो चेतन भगत की वजह से पहुंच गए वहां पे, नहीं तो पहुंचते भी
Yeah,
नहीं
wow,
गए.
Chetan Bhagat is making us have intellectual conversation. That's the first.
But yeah, 5.7 decent novel.
What do you think of the whole? You remember the fiasco that happened
Yeah,
about the
yeah.
Chetan Bhagat thing, his involvement
Bro,
or the
actually,
lack thereof?
in this one instance, I am actually on the side of Chetan Bhagat.
Oh, is it?
उसको 11 या 13,000 रुपए देके ना उन्होंने राइट्स
Bro.
खरीद लिए थे और
Oh, shit.
profit
But
sharing
then
wherein
he
कुछ
sold
नहीं.
it, no?
He sold it. That's his fault.
Yeah.
But when he saw the movie and everything, तो उसको कुछ बोला क्या था कि some 30% or 35% of the story will be taken. When he watched the movie, he realized कि ये तो काफी सारी ले ली है. और फिर the movie made insane amounts of money. So then he went to Vinod Chopra के भाई मेरे को शेयर दे दो. वो बोला 8 पैसे तेरे को 13,000 जो लिए वो लेके हो जा.
So then what
अभी
happened at the
मैं
end?
अगली पिक्चर
So then
बनाऊंगा
I think
शिकारा, वो देखना.
उसके पास वही जो इनिशियल अमाउंट था उसके बाद से फिर हर फिल्म में उसने प्रॉफिट शेयरिंग वाला वो क्लॉज
Oh
डाला है.
wow.
उधर वो दूध
पर
का
उसके बाद
दूध
उसने
जला.
फिर हेलो बनाई.
हेलो
Hello
भाई,
बनाई,
हेलो बनाई,
half girlfriend बनाई.
गर्लफ्रेंड बनाई.
Two states बनाई, sir.
Two States was a hit.
Yeah, was it? All right, cool, यार, fair enough.
बट लाइक आप लोगों ने चेतन भगत की कितनी नॉवेल्स पढ़ी हैं?
मैंने बस यही दोनों पढ़े हैं.
Until Revolution 2020, I've read all.
All?
So,
Oh, you need read
so
Night at the Call Center.
5.1 Night at the Call Center, 3 Mistakes, Revolution 2020.
Oh, Three Mistakes also I've read.
मैंने टू स्टेट्स पढ़ी है, रेवोल्यूशन पढ़ी
और
है.
Two States, हाँ sorry.
टू
Two
स्टेट्स
States के बाद Revolution 2020 बनाई लिखी थी.
मेरी पहली बुक एक्चुअली रेवोल्यूशन 2020 थी चेतन
Okay.
भगत की, एंड देन आई वेंट बैकवर्ड्स.
Okay,
And
and
his
what about
writing
Raju
also.
Hirani films? Have you seen all of those?
This was his third movie, right?
This was his third, fourth.
After Munna Bhai Lage Raho.
No, two Munna Bhais.
हाँ, this was
And
the
then
third
this
one.
Yeah.
was third, correct? Yeah.
फिर इसके बाद कौन सी?
PK.
Yeah.
पीके, संजू, नंकी.
Yeah. That's what no, when we did the ranking in the
like-
previous, the way he's made is the ranking
Nice,
of his
nice,
films.
nice.
Yeah.
Fair enough.
संजू इज बेटर और डंकी इज बेटर?
Bro, Sanju.
I would say
100%.
Sanju.
संजू ना
100%, no doubt.
Fair. डंकी तो बहुत ही भाई
Anyway, guys, then let's get to it. Should we
Yes.
start? So, as I always say, I always win these, right? I'm always the best.
Nobody wins or
You
loses.
guys-
It's just
You guys always do the most first thought thing.
see the best chance you ever had at winning was the one that we did live ठीक है उसमें भी पुलकित जीत गया you are never
Dude,
gonna
I
get
won.
that close
They gave it to
ever.
Pulkit. That one we
अच्छा,
gave it to
अच्छा,
Pulkit
अच्छा,
because he's a
अच्छा,
guest.
बोल
and all,
मत
you know?
कभी आएगा नहीं वो।
It's okay,
तो
right?
वैसे ही उस एपिसोड पे he was like
He was
मेरा
there.
सही है
बेचारा, he tuned, like he got it. He got it afterwards.
He actually thought कि हम लोग seriously
लड़ेंगे,
निकाल
yeah,
कर रहे
yeah,
हैं
yeah.
and then बाद में कह रहा है like so midway through the episode I realized
I
कि तुम लोग
understood
तो
कि क्या हो
roast
रहा
कर
है.
रहे हो
Yeah, correct, dude. Exactly. So you know, like I've tried to change it up this time.
Oh, okay.
But that I mean, मैंने अपने options तो लाया हूँ. I'm gonna guess for each
What
what
the
you guys are also
अरे
doing.
यार.
Okay.
What is this overconfidence, bro?
Because I think you guys are very fast thought, bro.
ब्रो अभी तो आप छोड़ो अभी तो ये इसका एक थॉट है अभी एपिसोड रिकॉर्ड से पहले पता है क्या बोल रहा था कह रहे एक कास्टिंग ऐसे करते हैं जिसमें हम सारे मरे हुए एक्टर्स को कास्ट करेंगे
नहीं, ये ऐसा नहीं कहा मैंने यार. I said.
Actually, that might be a great episode.
Actually, but what I said was, see, one of the constant requests we get, please subscribe to the channel and hit that like
Membership.
and become a member.
Membership,
But one of the constant requests in the comments that we get is, why don't you recast a more recent movie with actors,
Older
actors,
older actors, like
Yeah.
actors from the eras gone by. And I'm like, that might not be as possible because the three of us are not that well versed with actors of the eras gone past. So what we could do is in these regular recasting episodes, we can have a rule that you're allowed to cast one cast member from an actor who's no longer here with us. You know, that'd be cool. Like one, allowed to do one. Why the laugh? Is it a good point or something? What?
good very good
Sure, yeah, fuck you, man.
Sure, let's do it from next
बट हाँ
episode.
एक ट्राई कर सकते हैं नेक्स्ट
Hey,
एपिसोड
you don't have to placate me or something, okay? If you don't like the idea, just tell me, and so that people can shit on me already, dude.
Look, I would love to do a 3 Idiots recast with Irfan Khan and Sushant Singh Rajput, man.
Okay, moving on. But actually, yeah, that would be cool.
Yeah.
Okay,
Nice.
let's get to it then, guys.
Okay.
How do you want to do? You want to do 3 friends together first?
हाँ
और
वही
you-
करते हैं ना एंड तक लोग देखे नहीं देखे क्या पता है तो
Okay, no, that's
हमें
right.
कसम
But
से
I
तुमसे
feel
उल्टा नहीं करना चाहिए
चलो आई एम
See,
गुड फॉर
the
दैट
thi-
आल्सो
the thing is, if we are doing the 3 friends first, okay, so we'll do Madhavan, whatever, Farhan, Raju, that way, right? Let's start with that only. We in the movie are first introduced to Farhan, then to Raju, and then to Rancho.
ओके
We'll go in that direction, and then Omi Vaidya, whatever, Chatur's character, right?
Chatur, हाँ.
Okay, so that's the numbering we do.
हाँ करेक्ट फरहान एंड दिस वन कम फर्स्ट
Yeah, he's on the flight.
Correct,
And
yeah,
Raju is his wife is doing Kapal Bhati outside, and
So we are
he's
doing
on the phone.
in order of appearance.
In order of appearance.
Okay, cool.
Yeah, in order of appearance. Okay.
मेरी वाइफ को नहीं उसके पीछे के बंगलों को देखो इडियट्स
Idiots. मेरी wife
By the
को
way, when was the
नहीं.
last time you watched 3 Idiots?
ओ बिन अ वाइल्ड डूड
What do you say, dude? I watch it like once
Ah, you
every
keep
few
watching
months or
it,
something.
like
I
Rocky
love
or
it.
Rani.
Yeah, dude.
रॉकी और रानी ज्यादा देखते हो आप या 3 इडियट्स ज्यादा देखते हो
Yeah, I've seen way more of 3 Idiots because it's been around longer.
Yeah.
It's just what
But
it
the
is.
answer to it is Dhurandhar.
That's right up there, dude. But I haven't seen it now in like last few days. I'm just joking.
भाई वो बहुत ही funny था when you were like धुरंधर मेरी comfort watch बन चुकी है.
Yeah, but I'm sure that's true for a lot of like I know my brother and I like I come out of my room and he's in the sitting outside in the hall watching Dhurandhar all the time, dude.
Raw and अनदेखा देख लिया आपने?
नहीं यार वो
So sad.
They are going to add more scenes to the
तो उन्होंने जो वहाँ काट दिया होगा CBFC ने वो
Oh,
डाल दिया
अच्छा.
होगा.
हाँ करेक्ट वो देख नहीं
हो
रहा
सकता है.
CBFC का मतलब they can't put those this thing back.
नहीं कर सकते क्या? पता नहीं.
ए
फिर क्या?
ये कुछ भी कर सकते हैं यार इट्स अ राइटिंग मूवी
No, but if it's a writing movie, right?
Okay, I don't want to hate dude. I'm done with it. Okay, okay.
I
Quick,
have
move
not
on.
seen in more than 5 years. मैं तो कुछ characters भूल भी गया था कौन से, but anyway.
क्या बात कर रहे
Yeah.
हैं Don't say that. I'm not getting into the episode. No?
But एक चीज मैंने sorry but like we'll get into 3 Idiots but मुझे एक चीज समझनी थी कि अभी अगर आप जैसे हॉटस्टार पे जाओ कि अगर आप धुरंधर देखते हो ना धुरंधर द रिवेंज वाला जो तो उसके नीचे फेविकॉल का लोगो है लाइक जैसे वो नहीं
क्या?
होता हाँ सो लाइक
What?
सो या सो जैसे वो नहीं होता कि जैसे एक ब्रांड ने मतलब ब्रांडिंग
पूरी पिक्चर
खरीद लिया। अरे नहीं बाबा, पूरी पिक्चर में नहीं, लाइक द थंबनेल, लाइक जैसे हॉटस्टार अगर आप खोलो,
धुरंधर के पोस्टर पे फेविकॉल
हाँ
दिखा।
ब्रो आई वाज सो क्रेजी, आई वाज लाइक क्या चल रहा है दोस्तों, ये देखो धुरंधर के नीचे फेविकॉल है।
क्या
So then that must be a
इन्होंने
integration.
हाँ ब्रांडिंग स्पॉट खरीदा है मतलब।
हाँ,
भाई
possible.
कितना पैसा छापेंगे ये लोग यार?
Bro, I swear, dude, that's crazy, you know.
भाई that's insane.
This is the first time I've seen this. Like, I've
I've
never
not
seen
seen
this in
ये
a
पैसा
film.
तो फेविकॉल छाप रहा है ना।
या नहीं ब्रो,
फेविकॉल कैसे, उन्होंने अपना ब्रांड प्लेसमेंट का पैसा दिया होगा ना
Yeah.
कि धुरंधर के
हाँ,
नीचे
तो-
फेविकॉल
But that's
छापो।
literally the first thing that came up when you went on the page, right?
So that's obviously because that is what
That is
Jio
what
Hotstar-
Fevicol has paid for. Because they know Dhurandhar, the
Yeah,
revenge will be the
exactly.
thing. They will push the most.
हाँ
पर
but
क्या पॉइंट हुआ? फेविकॉल यूज करने के बाद भी पार्टीशन तो हो गया अपना,
तूने पिक्चर देखी है?
कंट्री तो बट ही गई, टूट ही गई कंट्री। ओके कट दैट।
No, keep it. Good joke. Actually, good joke.
अरे वाह,
Have you seen the movie?
मतलब I've seen it in the theater.
अरे हॉटस्टार
No, 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 of course not.
हाँ तो जो क्या कहते हैं जो लोअर पैसे वाला टियर होगा ना जिसके बीच में एड्स आते हैं, I'm 100% श्योर उसके बीच में फेविकॉल के एड्स आएंगे धुरंधर में।
ओह कुड वेल बी, या दैट कुड बी,
हो
या
सकता
या
है।
करेक्ट।
ठीक है, बढ़िया है।
ओके चलो
Going
guys,
back to when capitalism did not rule our movies.
ब्रो क्या इससे याद आया मुझे, अभी मैं वो देख रहा था, क्या कहते हैं, हम दो हमारे दो, नहीं
पति पत्नी वो दो,
पत्नी और हमारे दो,
हमारे दो।
और वो दो
और वो दो। तो उसके अंदर भाई इट्स लाइक कजारिया टेल्स वाज लाइक कि आपको कितने ऐड चाहिए, यस
Really?
भाई, कंस्ट्रक्शन चल रहा है तो कजारिया, बिलबोर्ड चल रहा है तो कजारिया, दुकान है तो कजारिया, यहाँ कहाँ से लेफ्ट लेना, जहाँ कजारिया का बोर्ड है वहां से लेफ्ट ले लो, जो बिल्डिंग बन रही है उसके हर बोर्ड पे हर फ्लोर पे कजारिया का एक बोर्ड है। मैंने कहा भाई ये पिक्चर कजारिया नहीं बनाई है।
Alright guys, let's get to it.
यस यस यस।
So Farhan first, and who wants to go first? Farhan.
तुझे जाना पड़ेगा because you're guessing who are both of our things.
नहीं, I don't have for all. Like some,
Okay.
I like definitely know what I
आप
feel
लोगों ने
like.
क्या सोचा होगा?
Yeah, I'm probably wrong, but yeah. Do you guys want to go? Abbas,
You
why don't
were the
start?
most excited about
I'm
Farhan,
not
no?
excited. I was excited about Chatur. So फरहान का मैं पूछ रहा था इनसे रोल करने से पहले, he is the more sensible one
The
among
originally
the three.
played by
R.
R. Madhavan.
Madhavan, yeah. What a fall from grace.
Why?
No, nothing.
अरे कुछ नहीं, कुछ वो धुरंधर जाइब मार रहा था।
But yeah, Farhan, one of the most memed characters from Three Idiots.
अब्बा नहीं मानेंगे।
Okay, so I have two options.
अरे अंतरिक्ष, I thought Abbas was going first.
Talk about influence.
तो हम रोल करने से पहले ये he suggested why we can also do comedians. कोई एक जगह पे like कोई भी कॉमेडियन कास्ट कर दो, तो मेरे दिमाग में एकदम से आया तीनों अगर कॉमेडियन होते तो राइट।
तो ये
तो
पिक्चर
मेरा-
से बनती नहीं।
ओके तो मेरा who should I say? Okay, I'll tell you the mainstream option first. I've gone for Vedang Raina as Farhan.
Oh, you've gone for age appropriate roles. What?
I have thrown age out of the window.
Yeah,
Same
because
for
so
me
did they.
also.
Yeah,
So did
exactly.
they, dude, in the movie.
Exactly.
Fucking Amir is 40 plus. Maddie was 40, I think. Yeah, I think
Yeah.
Sharma Joshi was the youngest one in the 30s.
Yeah, of course,
or
Sharman
So-
Joshi didn't matter.
something. It mattered, dude.
I was playing around
What are you talking about?
whether to cast Vedang as Raju or Farhan, but I think मैंने राजू जो कास्ट किया वो थोड़ा कॉमेडिक टाइमिंग उसका ज्यादा सही है। तो वेदांग रैना आई थिंक हमने whatever we've seen him of him so far is really good.
Bhai, isn't he more of like a hero sort of?
Yeah,
know,
sorry, he
I
comes across
know.
more. If you're going that direction, he comes across more either Rancho.
Hero.
No, not Rancho.
Not
I don't
Rancho
think
at all.
Vedang is
Vedang-
Rancho.
or-
Vedang doesn't fit the movie.
Actually, you know, because of his eyes, he has that like he can be a Joy Lobo. You know what I
Bro,
mean?
he
Like he has like those
cannot be in the
sad
film.
eyes.
There is
Like,
not
like
a
that
single.
though anyone
Hey,
cannot
fuck
be.
off. I think he's very earnest. He has
He is earnest, yeah, I
he
agree.
has an earnest look in कौन सी थी यार वो भाई वाली पिक्चर
जिगरा
जिगरा में
भाई वाली
वो
पिक्चर तो किसी का भाई किसी की जानती है एक्चुअली.
हीरोइन का भाई तो उसमें वो उसका बहुत अर्नेस्ट लुक है. आई थिंक ही ऑल्सो so far we have not seen him in a full on comedic role, but I think given a chance he can pull it off. So I think he would make a good Farhan because Farhan is a more sensible one among the two.
यार पता है ये दोनों ना बहुत ही like in for the lack of a better word बहुत ही भोंदू कैरेक्टर्स हैं. Hence
I get
idiots.
it.
Like
हाँ, I
that's
get
the
it.
layer to it. But actually they are not idiots, but
But he's the more earnest Bondhu, जो माँ बाप की बात मानता है, जो थोड़ा डरता है खड़े होने के लिए अपने लिए. And
चलो, ठीक
yeah.
है.
And my comedian choice was Kumar Varun, the YouTuber. KV मेरे को लगा था कि वो फरहान अच्छा बनेगा, because again he's also like a little पावम बच्चा. Nice.
like for some reason I can see KV as Farhan more than I can see Vedang as Farhan.
Really?
Oh, this is a callback to that engineering campus
हाँ,
वाला
मैं वही
sketches
सोच
also.
रहा था.
Yeah, yeah.
AIB के sketch में engineering वाला पूरा ही है. So yeah, those are my amazing. But I will go with Vedang as the main choice.
So I would say neither of them are too strong.
True,
But
I
in my
agree.
head, when I look at the character, KV somehow suits it a little bit more.
Really?
Yeah,
Both
bro,
of you
of
think?
course.
What do you?
Bro,
In
Vedang
my head
is
it
too
is.
much of a hero.
It's he'll
क्योंकि
too
हमने
chocolate boy.
उसको भाई माधवन भी तो उस टाइम तक हीरो ही था
नहीं
ना.
नहीं
नहीं,
नहीं
नहीं।
नहीं नहीं
भाई
क्या
सुपरस्टार था
अरे,
माधवन.
मतलब मैं ऑब्वियसली वो तो माधवन तो मैंने कभी डाउट नहीं किया सुपरस्टारडम पे, बट लाइक द टिपिकल कन्वेंशनली स्टीरियोटिपिकल बॉलीवुड हीरो, गोरा, चिजल्ड, ये वो नहीं
माधवन
है।
सिर्फ डार्क कॉम्प्लेक्शन था तो यानी वो टिपिकल
भाई, this is
अरे
you
मैं
putting words in
वेदांत
my
की
mouth.
बात कर रहा हूँ
Putting words
भाई।
in my
गोरा चिट्टा कह रहा है तू है.
अरे मतलब मैं वेदांग की बात कर रहा हूँ कि जिस तरीके से उसकी पर्सनालिटी बिल्ट है अभी तक की जो 2 मूवीज हमने देखी हैं, दैट्स वेरी केजोइश sort of a thing. This is too
So I'm casting against type, bro.
अरे
Okay, KV then.
but it's only slightly better.
हाँ बहुत ही मतलब marginally.
So you want to go first? I'll go first.
हाँ आप कर लो.
Okay, then, guys, sticking to my the original origins of my.
I got 6 options.
I have 15 options. No, I have 2 options for Farhan Qureshi. Okay, first one.
Qureshi.
So my option 2, I'm more passionate towards. Okay, but option 1, I think a very good option. So again, Maddie's character, as he said, earnest. Okay, really takes his friends. He loves his friends. He wants to. Doesn't want too much conflict. Right, because
correct.
when Raju is fighting with Rancho, he's the guy who's trying to like, guys, come on,
Plays
relax.
mediator, yeah.
Yeah, right. I think in this role, Kunal Roy Kapoor would work wonderfully well. Okay, like he has that like yaar chalo na kind of vibe to
He's
him.
become hot now. Did you see his recent
Maddie's
picture?
also become hot now. Tension
कुणाल रॉय कपूर वही ना, ये जवान
Delhi Belly.
bro.
ये जाने
Delhi
Delhi
Belly.
Belly,
हाँ,
yeah.
अब वो मोटा नहीं, अब पतला हो गया.
Bro,
hot हो
also
गया.
mota people can say and do this. It's okay. Sorry about
But now he's not mota. That's the thing now.
That's true.
He's become
That's true. That's
hot
right. You're
now.
right. You're right.
Anyway.
But yeah,
Kunal Roy Kapoor as Farhan.
yeah, as Farhan, I think would be good.
Can I say something? Maybe this is a little controversial.
हाँ.
But he's too posh to play a middle class.
अच्छा और वेदांग कहना तो
Dude, what are you
मतलब
talking
एकदम
about?
ऐसा ऊपर से
जेल का prisoner बना था यार जिगरा में.
Bro, he's played Delhi Belly ka that guy. That's the best
No, Delhi
example.
Belly का वो middle class नहीं होता है.
So
He's
you're
very-
saying he can't play any range? He has no range. Only like either lower class or whatever. Like really.
No, he can only
you
play
know, like
the
really
high
struggling.
class posh this thing.
That's
roles.
not Delhi Belly's character at all. What are you talking about,
That's
dude?
what he is. वो मतलब he's plays a bachelor तो वो गंदा वंदा ऐसे दिखाया, but he's an English speaking rich boy even in Delhi Belly.
तो वो भी दिख या उतना तो you can easily. What is
तो
this?
रिलेशन बनता
Yeah, bro. What are you talking about, dude? Just for the sake of it.
Like I can only imagine him going up to his dad. अब्बा नहीं मानेंगे, dad won't agree यार. Like वो ऐसे बोलेगा.
अरे
वो भी ठीक है. 2026 में बना रहे हो. वो भी ठीक है. वो भी ठीक है. वो भी ठीक
भाई
है.
ये पिक्चर वेदांग रैना कुणाल भाई ये पिक्चर धर्मा के अलावा और कोई बना ही नहीं सकता है पिक्चर.
ठीक है यार, बना दे यार. धर्मा ही बना दे यार. Okay.
I'm not sold on this. What about you?
मतलब ठीक है, आप बेस्ट तो मैं ही बताऊंगा बड़ा बता दो दूसरा.
My second option.
जिस पे आप सबसे ज्यादा सोल्ड हो.
This
You are more passionate about Kunal Roy Kapoor. अच्छा.
Well, this is my second option now.
हाँ.
So this option, again, you got to keep an open mind because it's
Open,
quite
open.
hatke.
हाँ,
अरे.
Quite hatke.
दरवाजे खुले भाई.
खुद को काश कर दिया क्या?
So the thing is, okay, the thing is, this actor
हाँ.
has done a few movies, okay, but he's not been that appreciated for those movies because he's. I feel like not many people have gone out and given him a chance to do those movies.
ओ अर्जुन
Okay.
कपूर.
No, what I feel
कार्तिक आर्यन.
is rukna bhai. So what I feel is this person is great. He can be very very good at dramatic scenes. He has great comic timing.
और
That
ये
to
सब build-up के बाद.
This-
विक्रांत
the
से.
entire nation knows how good his comic typing is.
Wow. Okay.
Kapil Sharma. as Farhan, dude. It works. Think about it.
अर्चना जी मान जाओ यार.
और पाजी नहीं मानेंगे यार.
Bro, Kapil Sharma is the exact opposite of Farhan. He bullies all the guys on his show.
But actor is an actor, dude. What are you talking about? He's played Zagato, the most bullied person in life. Right? He's played that role and he was very much really appreciated for that. See, it's these guys.
And then you wonder why the comment section.
Dude, you guys are playing it so safe.
Who's
Fucking
playing
Vedang
safe?
Raina, dude. The most, vanilla
No, I
casting
went with
choice
Kevin.
ever.
I went with
The most
Kevin.
vanilla casting choice ever. You gotta thoda hatke socho, thoda push the envelope.
Also, how
Give
old
people
is
something to try.
how old is Kapil Sharma?
He's 45, I checked. But Madhavan was 40, 41 when he played this role. So it's barely much of a difference. And I would say Kapil reads younger when you look at him. He can play a younger age
Wouldn't
than Maddie
Kapil
can.
make a better Raju?
No, Raju के लिए I have a spot on choice.
ब्रो सो आई थिंक कपिल का जो परफेक्ट कास्टिंग रहेगा वो रहेगा कि जब मूवी प्रमोट होने के लिए जाए किसी शो पे वो कपिल कर सकता है.
Wouldn't it be even better promotion if Kapil's in the movie and promoting it on his show? That would be mind blowing.
So basically, you're thinking you're also casting against type, right? You think
Yeah,
that's
obviously,
role.
bro.
You think the roles that Kapil has done so far are against his comedic personality.
I mean,
what
no,
all
no.
have you seen so far, by the way?
I've seen
of his acting.
कॉमेडी नाइट्स विद कपिल.
Yeah, comment as a Kapil, but I've seen him in trailers of his movies.
Zagato देखी तूने?
नहीं देखी यार.
कोई भी पिक्चर नहीं देखी उसकी.
But I can tell Zagato में he was very appreciated.
He
Like,
was
I've seen
good
some
in. I've
scenes.
seen Zagato. He's
Yeah.
good in it.
So that's what.
बट
And
अब मूवी कुछ इतनी कमाल
कमाल
पिक्चर
नहीं
नहीं
but
है.
that's because he's completely against type. उसमें
Yeah.
उसको कुछ भी नहीं करना है जो वो असल जिंदगी में करता है.
yeah, so
Also for Zagato, he went to Nandita Das, from what I understand, and asked her to mimic a film for him. So he wanted to prove his mettle as an actor.
great, and he
But-
did then, no?
But ये फरहान वाले उसमें थोड़ा innocence चाहिए यार. मेरे को नहीं लगता कि कपिल शर्मा में वो innocence
Dude,
आता है.
Zagato में है innocence if he worked.
बेचारापन है Zagato में, innocence
Bro,
नहीं है.
बेचारापन ही है, बब्बा नहीं मानेंगे, so बेचारा. What are you talking about, dude? Again, you guys are just making my points for me. Thank you, guys. I think Kapil Sharma is
quite
great.
literally not.
You just did. Just you saying that you're not making my point doesn't mean that you're not making my points. You are making my
कोई
points.
बात
Okay.
नहीं, कोई बात नहीं.
Okay.
ठीक है.
I've understood. I'm not gonna raise my voice. this
Well, but
episode.
tell me, you wanted to guess what we would have guessed, right?
Yeah.
For
You
this
want to
one,
do
no.
now or you want to do it after he tells his?
फिर
Because
तो
what
ये
if
बता
what-
देगा ना कि अरे मैंने तो यही गेस किया था.
हाँ, वही.
स्नेहल वाले
So
वाला.
actually, you know what? I have guesses for Snehal for Raju
हाँ.
and guesses for you both for Rancho. I don't
अच्छा,
have for
ठीक है.
Farhan.
Okay,
I'll come to
cool.
that.
राजू तो आप गेस कर ही नहीं सकते भाई.
चलो ठीक है, नहीं कर सकते, नहीं कर
कर
सकते.
ही नहीं सकते.
नहीं कर
राजू
सकते, नहीं कर
तो
सकते. तो
आप
अपना Rancho बोल दे so that we can move on to the next
guess.
one.
रैंचो बोलूं कि फरहान बोलूं?
Sorry,
Farhan.
Farhan बोल दे.
So my Farhan is Vijay Verma, guys.
Oh, terrible actor. No, I'm just joking. I'm just joking.
I think Vijay
I don't wanna
Verma.
fuck with you,
Bro,
dude.
again, he's
वो उसको पॉश मत बोलना जरा.
innocence नहीं है यार उसके
भाई
अंदर.
बहुत इनोसेंस है. बहुत ज्यादा इनोसेंस है.
Darlings में वो तो मारने वाला
डार्लिंग्स
पति.
इकलौता पिक्चर थोड़ी किया वो
Bro,
लाइफ
I think you guys keep forgetting that actors are allowed to be versatile and play multiple
Yeah,
roles.
totally.
multiple
I'm not-
characters.
और
Abbas
जब
is
मैं
every...
वेदांग बोल रहा था, वो mainstream actor है. और
But
कुछ
what
कर
has
ही
he
नहीं
done that has
सकता.
shown any range? He's just done the same role again and again.
Bro,
Again, he's doing
Vijay-
a romantic movie with again playing the same role. dude.
विजय वर्मा बहुत सही रेंज दिखाता है. विजय वर्मा का जो क्लीन शेव कंगी वाला लुक है भाई, आई थिंक विद चश्मा एंड ऑल विद परफेक्टली गो विद दिस. अभी जो उसकी वो फिल्म आई थी जो मैं आप लोग को बता रहा था, गुस्ताख इश्क, ठीक है, उसमें क्या ही ठहरा हुआ शायर एकदम प्ले किया है उसने. बहुत आई थिंक विजय वर्मा इज ऑब्वियसली वन ऑफ द फाइनेस्ट एक्टर्स. ये तो हम सब अग्री करेंगे. विद द रेंज, विद द इनोसेंस, विद द ठहराव, जो तीनों में सबसे ज्यादा ठहराव फरहान में
He's
होता है.
married to that बेशरम रंग, no? बेशरम रंग.
They were in a relationship.
Oh, they're not married?
No,
Tamanna Bhatia.
तमन्ना भाटिया. बेशरम रंग.
बेशरम रंग नहीं, क्या है?
बेशरम रंग was दीपिका.
नहीं, आज की
But
रात, bro.
आज they have the same tune. आज की रात बेशरम रंग.
बेशरम is not.
It's बेशरम रंग.
Why more? Right, anyway, coming back to Vijay Verma.
So again, as अब जो हम लोग बात करते हैं कि सबसे ज्यादा जो ठहरा हुआ है उन तीनों में से भी रैंचो, राजू और फरहान
No,
में
no.
से.
You think he
That's
can
all.
pull off?
Tehrav is, I think, the
Bro,
wrong word.
he's the most withheld out of
He
the
also
three.
has to do comedy. You
Bro,
think he'll be
Vijay
able to
Verma
do
is
comedy?
great. Absolutely amazing when it comes to comedy. All these
But
theater
who's better at comedy than Kapil Sharma, guys?
everybody.
Are you insane? Are you insane, dude?
And I think Vijay Verma with the other two that I have on my list, bro, they will bounce off of each other's energy. और अगर आपने विजय वर्मा का, अगर आपने कपिल शर्मा के जो आप इतने बड़े फैन है, तो आपने कपिल शर्मा का शो देखा होगा with विजय वर्मा on it. भाई क्या ही वन लाइनर्स फेंक रहा है वो आदमी, बहुत अच्छा है भाई विजय वर्मा.
So he's not gonna write the movie. What the hell, dude?
अरे मतलब बट कैसी बात है ये.
Yeah. Okay, see,
So out of the three of us, तो I think Vijay Verma is
not
best.
at all, dude. Not at all.
आप तो मत बोलो.
What are you talking about, dude? Like, I legit feel, dude, Kapil Sharma,
Bro,
if
don't
given
you
the chance,
think- I
he can
don't-
actually do a lot of very
I
good
don't know
acting.
who your other two guys are yet, but don't you think Kapil will overshadow the other two?
Dude, an actor is an actor, man. And let
ऐसा
him...
नहीं है यार.
Dude, he is, if he's playing the best role, best friend character of the main hero, that's a very prominent role also. It's not like it's gonna be
That's
demeaning
what I'm
for him or
saying.
like it'll be a
Demeaning, I'm saying the opposite.
demotion.
He'll overshadow the other two actors.
Like as a personality in the movie
Yeah.
or as acting in the movie, it'll overshadow. What are you talking about?
Personality plays into the acting as well. And तुम
Doesn't need
कपिल
to,
शर्मा
man.
को अगर
Doesn't
कास्ट
need
कर रहे
to,
हो
man.
किसी फिल्म में,
Yeah,
So-
but dude,
or
you
only
can
one
easily...
of the main three leads, obviously he would want to.
Be the centerpiece.
Yeah.
But why? My other two actors also are prominent actors.
चलो,
only. It's
ठीक
not
है,
like they're
देखते हैं,
not
देखते हैं.
prominent
Okay,
actors.
okay,
What the hell,
okay,
dude?
okay.
चलो अब राजू सोचते हैं.
Raju, let's start with you.
Yeah, okay, cool.
राजू का आपने हम दोनों का गेस करना है ना.
हाँ, स्नेहल का तो मेरे पास पक्का है कि I think
ठीक है,
I feel
चलो.
like ये है. And I have
राजू,
I have two options, but I'm gonna just say one because this is I think a very good option.
Played in the original by Sharman Joshi.
Played in the original by Sharman Joshi, Raju Rastogi. Okay, I think
रस्तोगी.
so. The
Favorite.
actor is थोड़ा hyper. He gets offended. Okay, he gets.
मैं पता है ये कास्ट करते टाइम मैं हमेशा brrr सोच रहा था. जब
Yeah,
वो
fair.
engine,
Fair,
मैं वही
fair,
सोच
fair,
रहा था.
absolutely fair.
Yeah.
Fair.
Dude, I think you cannot get a better casting choice than what I'm about to say. Okay? Basically because this is an actor who is known for always having speeches at the end of his movies.
मोदी जी.
Rajkumar. Nice. Nice.
Melody.
Modi ji and Amit Shah, yes, correct.
मोदी जी, अमित शाह and कपिल शर्मा, bro.
Bro, what a cast.
500 crore in
Bro,
first second.
Done.
Plus tax free.
Great. You guys are writing my
पिक्चर
movie now.
रिलीज
for
होने
me.
से
Great.
पहले 5,000 करोड़.
I love it.
Bro, अगर ये कार्तिक आर्यन निकला था.
No, Rajkumar
He's
Rao.
known for his speech. Oh, it's Rajkumar Rao.
Rajkumar Rao.
Oh, I thought it was going to be Ayushman because he
No.
gives speeches.
Rajkumar Rao always has like a fast-paced speech at the end where he'll talk about, like something, make a point about society, make a point about whatever rights or whatever.
मैंने
This
भी
one में-
सोचा था राजकुमार
मैंने भी सोचा था राजकुमार राव, but then I was like बहुत ही
मैंने
first
सीधे
thought.
लिखा है-
ही
मैं सीधे
मिला
लिखा है
है।
राजकुमार राव, by the way. I thought you were-
सोचा था, but I was like very first thought.
Oh, fuck you. Just because I call you guys ka things first
अरे
thought,
but
mine
No, it
Rajkumar-
is very first
Rajkumar
thought, bro.
Rao,
I'm
he-
sorry.
dude, first thought.
See, even if it could not be more perfect
मैं बता
casting.
रहा हूँ अभी आपको perfect
It
casting.
cannot. Just because you say it, dude, it doesn't make it so. It is that Rajkumar Rao is fucking. He could not be better. Already he gets saying, people keep saying, oh, he gets typecast as the guy who is not wealthy, who's like comes from small town, whatever. That is
इसलिए
Raju
उसको
Rastogi's
एक और
character.
ऐसी पिक्चर दे देते हैं.
Raju Rastogi's character. What can be the perfect crescendo for that type of role rather than be in one of the greatest movies of all time, Raju Rastogi, Rajkumar Rao. Also Raju, already naam mein, Raju Hirani, Rajkumar, already. Wow, dude.
बस
Next level.
बस अंतरिक्ष बस.
Next level. So many
इतना नहीं
connections.
sell करना होता
So
है
many
यार.
connections.
बस,
It's crazy.
बस.
It is what it is. Rajkumar Rao, you guys are happy. Yes, I know. Yeah.
इसमें आप एक्चुअली विक्रांत मसी फिट कर सकते थे. विक्रांत मसी would have
Fit
been a
क्यों
good
करना भाई?
option.
मैं I'm an original thinker.
That must be his rancho.
Rancho हो सकता है, हाँ उसका. ठीक है.
नहीं, that's
I
not.
will
my
say
rancho.
one thing better than Kapil Sharma. Like better
For
casting
sure.
than
For
Kapil
sure,
Sharma.
100%.
Well, I agree it's good casting. But
Now try
it's
imagining
right up there. Right
Rajkumar
up
Rao
there.
and
Rao
Kapil
and
Sharma
Kapil Sharma.
opening this movie.
Yeah, it's great.
Okay.
I'm good at imagining things.
So bro, my Raju Rastogi is one of the most popular names when it comes to the entertainment industry.
Okay. Amit ji.
And surprisingly, he hasn't done a film ever. And
Aryan
he's
Khan.
still the biggest
Debut.
name ever.
Aryan Khan?
He is shooting his first film and he hasn't been seen on like the big screen.
Aditya
abhi
Chopra.
tak. No, bro. And he is one of the
Akshay
biggest
Kumar's son.
names in
Arav.
the comedy scene.
आए
And I'm
Samay
not saying
Raina?
stand-up comedy. No, bro. YouTube comedy. Bhuvan
Carry-
Bam, bro. Bhuvan Bam is going to be an amazing Raju Rastogi.
But Rajkumar Rao is obviously the better choice, better actor,
of course
better
not.
comedy timing,
एक सेकंड आपने
better
आपने
everything.
आपने देखा है भुवन मैम को एक्टिंग करते हुए?
हाँ,
तो तो वो राजू रस्तोगी के रोल में परफेक्टली फिट नहीं बैठता. थोड़ा डरा थोड़ा सहमा नया बंदा पहुंच गया.
Rajkumar Rao is again better.
ऑब्वियसली
dude.
राजकुमार राव एज एन एक्टर को तो हम कोई भी वो नहीं कर रहा है.
Bhuvan Bam has
end
a
of
web
argument.
series, right? Like,
ताजा खबर एक
हाँ.
वेब शो किया उसने, बट इज नॉट बीन सीन ऑन द बिग स्क्रीन येट.
Right,
धर्मा
yeah.
को उसने अभी साइन
Yeah,
किया
yeah, yeah.
एंड भाई भुवन बाम प्लस विजय वर्मा प्लस मेरा भी जो रैंचो आएगा, ओहो क्रेजी हो जाएगा फिर तो.
So,
भाई भुवन बाम anyway is such a big sell when it comes to this film.
हाँ, true.
And उसकी comic timing obviously everybody is a big fan of.
Who was the Farhan?
विजय वर्मा भाई
Vijay Verma. Okay. हाँ.
ऐसा बाउंस ऑफ करेंगे दोनों कॉमेडी एनर्जी एक दूसरे के ऊपर, मजा ही आ जाएगा.
Bro, Rajkumar Rao, and I don't know why I'm bringing my guy again and again. I get it. I'll get it completely.
Can you
sorry.
sell BBK Wines as a Bhondu? Isn't he also very like he's a little hero type? Right? Hero
No,
type
of
in the
course not.
sense.
Well, in
So
fairness, he's
it's
done
smart
characters
type.
of all types.
yeah exactly.
Yeah.
उसने सारे कैरेक्टर्स पकड़े एंड दैट वाज द थिंग जो उसने जिसको उसने फेमस किया ना. तो आई थिंक वैसा एक डरा सहमा फर्स्ट टाइमर डेब्यूटेंट प्लेइंग इनटू द पिक्चर की भाई एक बहुत ही इंटिमिडेटिंग स्पेस में आ गया है. ही हैज प्लेड दोस कैरेक्टर्स. जैसे अगर आप उसकी बीबी की वाइन्स देखो तो जो उसका टीटू मामा वाला कैरेक्टर, जो उसके दोस्त फमीर वाला कैरेक्टर, वो उन सब के बीच में अरे तू क्या बोल रहा है यार, अरे तू क्या, तो वो जो उसका एक्चुअल पर्सनालिटी है वो इसी के अराउंड खेलता रहता है. तो आई थिंक he would be a very good fit when it comes to this confused personality कि यार मुझे करना क्या है, मुझे ये भी बचाना है, मुझे ये भी करना है, मुझे वो भी करना है, and then उस confusion में totally frustration दिखाना और एक comedy of errors बनाना. I think Raju Rastogi could be a good
So the thing
Bhuvan
is,
Bam.
see, one of the
like Bhuvan Bam could be a good Raju Rastogi.
see one of the famous scenes, right, was the toothpaste का squeeze करके निकाल देने का, फिर बोला अच्छा डाल
Yeah.
वापस अब.
Perfect.
हाँ.
Perfectly Bhuvan Bam.
Dude, no. I'm thinking like in something like that, a more hyper personality is what you need.
Bhuvan
Bhuvan
Bam is
क्या
hyper.
बात
That
कर
I
रहे हो?
cannot-
Rajkumar Rao is so much more hyper.
अरे.
His personality is that only, dude.
Rajkumar
Every movie-
Rao I feel is too big for a role like Kai Poche. ठीक है, जो उसने, so this is very similar to like the trio Kai Poche sort of.
that we don't decide who's big, who's not.
I
dude.
know, but
that is
man-
not the purpose of this.
Yeah, he has Kapil Sharma as Farhan.
Yeah, bro. And
But
Kapil Sharma is huge for
I
this.
think Bhuvan Bam से better option नहीं मिलेगा आपको
Dude,
इसके
also
लिए.
like
It's
see,
interesting option, but I feel like then you will have to tweak the role of Raju a little bit.
How?
Because क्या कहते हैं अपना ये जिसने प्ले किया है पिक्चर में,
शर्मन
जोशी is a little he's a little coward, right? He's a coward as in not डरपोक, but सहमा सा जो थोड़ा रहता
hence
है.
that's exactly why I chose Bhuvan
मेरे को
Bam.
लग रहा है पता नहीं, भुवन is a little more he's a
Out
little
there.
out there.
So that's why na
than
कि
his-
in scenes when he has to be डरा सहमा and then there like for a major fraction of the film he's also the one who's out there. He's the one who confronts Kareena on the wedding. He's the one जो उसको भगाने की कोशिश करता है. He's the one जो चतुर को सबसे पहले उस पे स्नैप करता है. सब कुछ छोड़ के वही भागता है सबसे पहले. I think ये सारे ट्रेड्स जो हैं वो राजू रस्तोगी के बहुत सही तरीके से जाएंगे.
ठीक है. Well, I haven't seen enough of BBK Wines or Bhuvan to
yeah,
say,
I've
but
not seen that much. I'm
it's
not even
not I'm not opposed to it. I think
It's not the Kapil Sharma option.
it's not the Kapil
Yeah, of
Sharma.
course. Of course.
so you mean it's not that good an option? I agree. Yes. I do agree with you guys.
So do you have an alternate option?
I had Vikrant Massey, but I was like, ये तो अंतरिक्ष ले लेगा,
Okay.
so fuck it.
Fuck you, man.
चलो अभी actual best वाले पे आते हैं.
अच्छा.
So
You were very proud of Raju, no?
I was proud of this
Rancho.
one. Rancho नहीं यार, अपना Omi.
Omi, okay.
Yeah, अभी तू इतना hype करके करेगा तो.
Wait, the entire cast says that you're only proud of Omi.
No, I'm also doubting it. Anyway, for Raju,
Yeah.
so the क्या कहते हैं, 3 Idiots is a film set in an engineering college, right?
Yeah.
Okay.
Chetan Bhagat.
Engineering एग्जाम कॉलेज ये सारे
ये
चीज पे
TVF,
किसने छापा मार के
नवीन
रखा है
कस्तूरिया में।
TVF से, ठीक है. So I was like, I have to cast someone from the TVF group.
I've also
who
done
is-
that, thinking the same thing. Same thing.
So I've gone for a very
Viswapati,
common this thing, but I've gone for Jitendra Kumar.
Bro, Jeetu Bhaiya. I was about to
as-
go for Jeetu Bhaiya as Lobo, Joy Lobo.
Oh, okay. मारने वाला था उसको.
हाँ.
बट मैंने वही सोचा वो ब्रर करना, थोड़ा सा मस्ती करना, थोड़ा सा डरपोक रहना. आई थिंक जीतू विल बी एबल टू पुल इट
बट
ऑफ
जीतू
वेल.
भैया ने
Fair
बहुत बट जीतू भैया ने बहुत रिसेंटली बहुत सीरियस नहीं
Serious
हो
वाले
गया.
किया. Even in Kota Factory, he's
Kota, he's
played
very serious.
He's now
Yeah.
trying to do that. But early TVF days, the way
Or
he
the
was there.
sketches and skits that he used
Sketches
to
and
do,
skits,
yeah.
he's kind of resembles the Raju Rastogi role.
Fair.
Also, I think he's one of those where even though he's older, he still looks college going age types.
Fair,
तो
yeah.
वो लग सकता है कि college
Looks
में
younger
जाता है.
than
Looks
he
younger than he
actually
actually is.
Yeah, correct.
तो yeah, that was
Kind
the
of, yeah. I can see that a
yeah.
little bit.
So that was my
यार बताओ
choice.
दूसरा राउंड भी मैं जीत गया. फक
Choice.
ब्रो, आप लोग कैसे कैच अप करोगे?
भाई
कौन जीत रहा है कमेंट्स में डाल दो
Yeah,
guys.
exactly. Dude. Just because you say it,
TVFR में
your choices are all
Do your
wrong. bro.
milkshake.
मेरे
All
पास
wrong.
भी एक TVF का
All
दोस्त
wrong, bro. All wrong. Okay, should we go with
So
Rancho
now
now?
Rancho, the big
Rancho.
one. Yes.
तो अभी तक तेरा हुआ है विजय वर्मा एंड
विक्रांत मासी. नहीं सॉरी भुवन बाम.
ओके विजय वर्मा एंड भुवन बाम तेरा हुआ है
KV and जीतू भैया.
केवीएन जीतू भैया
YouTube पे ही आएगा. आपका YouTube पे
और
आएगा.
मेरा एक कपिल शर्मा
तेरे
and
भी कोई
राजकुमार
बड़े स्टार्स नहीं है.
नहीं आई एग्री.
माइनस कपिल शर्मा एंड कपिल शर्मा राजकुमार
राजकुमार राव मस्त.
तेरा बनेगा.
Bro, that's what I'm saying. See, won't it be crazy hype that our 3 Idiots remake is being made and Kapil Sharma is gonna be in it, Rajkumar Rao is gonna be in it, and then my third actor will blow all of India apart. तुम देखो भाई.
Is it Ranveer Singh?
But we're not allowed to put Ranveer Singh and Ranveer.
Oh,
Singh.
correct.
Yeah,
I
Ranveer
forgot
and
about that. वो लोग दोनों तो आए ही नहीं मेरे दिमाग में ये
हाँ,
कास्ट करते
मेरे में रणवीर आया था for
अच्छा,
Rancho.
okay.
Of course, that was an
no,
obvious
I
choice.
got for another role.
Okay, but no, this time let him start. No, I started.
Please,
you
yeah,
started.
please.
For
Rancho.
चलो
Rancho.
ठीक है. और Rancho again, क्योंकि मेरे माइंड में रणबीर कपूर आया था, तो I was like, रणबीर कपूर. कपूर खानदान से ही कोई ले लेते हैं.
Zishan?
Zahan Kapoor.
Zahan Kapoor is your lead.
Zahan Kapoor is my lead.
The one who was in Black Warrant.
In Black Warrant.
In Black Warrant. So, abhi, why is Zahan
Has he
Kapoor?
done any comedy?
Bro,
Are you joking?
He's done theater, I believe.
He's done theater for a lot of years.
His family owns
ठीक है.
Prithvi, right?
Yeah.
Yeah.
ठीक है. Plus, सीरियस वाला तो आपने देख ही लिया उसके अंदर. अभी अगर आप रिसेंटली देखोगे तो उसने एक पूरा एड सीरीज किया है विद आदर्श गौरव.
Okay.
जिसमें ही इज प्लेइंग कैरेक्टर्स, कॉमेडी, एक्सप्रेशंस एंड ऑल ऑफ दैट. आई थिंक अमेजोन का है या पता या शायद फ्लिपकार्ट का है, किसी क्विक कॉमर्स का ही है. ठीक है. आई फील जहान कपूर इज गोइंग टू बी वन ऑफ द मोस्ट सेलिब्रेटेड एक्टर्स इन द कंट्री. आई थिंक ही हैज फुल पोटेंशियल to play. Also, why Rancho? Because Rancho out of the 3 is the short, sweet, cute little guy जो थोड़े mischiefs करता रहता है, अपने अंदर रहता है और one liners फेंकता रहता है, which is a classic theater trait. ठीक है, जो आप one liners हो गए, improvs हो गए, ठीक है, वो combined with the theater experience that he has, combined with the serious acting that he can do, combined with the comedy, the ad series that I've recently seen. I think he can be a very quick-witted character and वो उसको वहाँ play कर सकता है.
So I've not seen the ad series, okay, but I do know that he is a fine actor.
Fabulous actor.
Fair. But what I would say is in this role, like because Rancho, right? If you're taking the other actors at who you're taking, okay, in your this thing, the Rancho has to be the biggest
I agree.
the star.
I agree.
in that
I agree.
Slot, right?
उस चीज में he is not the
Yeah.
the biggest star of the show is not.
Yeah.
But I think the
So then who
weightage
is
of
your ticket
Kapoor.
seller in this? Between the 3, who's your ticket seller?
भाई all 3 of them combined. भाई
I thought we weren't going to cast
Yeah.
based on that. the
No,
ticket
but
selling prowess.
not that. I'm not saying that. But the star factor
यार
has to be met
again,
somewhere. No, someone
no,
in the movie has to be a star. No,
It's not necessary कि किसी को एक बड़ा स्टार पावर लाना ही है. राजू हिरानी इज वन ऑफ दोज पीपल जिसकी जो डायरेक्टर के नाम से सेल ज्यादा करता है मोर देन एक्टर के नाम से. ठीक है, और अगर 3 Idiots जैसा फ्रेंचाइज ने मारा है, आई वुड रादर गिव मोर इंपॉर्टेंस टू द कास्टिंग, टू द कैरेक्टर, दैन कि भाई मैं एक बड़ा नाम ले आऊं जिससे सीट्स भर जाएं.
okay. I think I like the casting choice. I would be interested in seeing this,
Yeah.
but I just feel okay, there's something missing between. If these are your three, there's something missing. Okay, what will
वही
actually
star power
really
नहीं है.
interest people?
Star
हाँ,
power नहीं
maybe
है
just that.
किसी में भी तीन
Okay,
में.
what's gonna hook
I mean,
people? like,
Bhuvan
oh,
Bam is huge.
wow.
भाई भुवन बाम वर्ल्ड के टॉप 10 यूट्यूबर्स
हाँ, but then he's not the
Again,
main
dude,
guy.
you
in
understand what I'm
this.
saying?
ऑफ कोर्स नहीं मैं देखो टिकट इस पिक्चर का बिक जाएगा ये गारंटी है बट वो इन तीन की वजह से नहीं बिकेगा ये भी पक्की बात है
चल ठीक है.
Even I
ठीक-
don't have an
ठीक-
A-lister though for Rancho.
Okay, who do you have?
Yeah. Okay, again, two options.
Yeah.
One comedian option, one actor option.
Okay.
The actor option that I've gone, and by the way, I took the most time to cast for
Rancho,
Rancho
same,
because
same.
it's just a very difficult
Same,
role
same.
to
Sure,
cast.
Sure, fair enough. Yeah.
So मेरा भी कोई मेन स्ट्रीम रोल ये नहीं है एक्टर नहीं है आई हैव गॉन फॉर वन comedian choice and one actor choice and the actor that I've gone for is Divyendu from मिर्जापुर fame.
कुत्तों का कोई संडे नहीं होता कुत्ता हफ्ते के 7 दिन कुत्ता ही होता है
हाँ भाई now imagine Rancho saying this.
That's प्यार का पंचनामा है
So I mean, again, Rancho is the most mastikhor, but also the
Yeah.
most eccentric. But he also has to sell that he's a genius. And like I was saying, we sometimes undervalue the Khans when we talk about them
Yeah.
because Amir somehow sells all these three.
all these
That's
things,
true.
yeah.
And his body language is everything. He's all is well, all of that. So it's very difficult to cast someone. I could only imagine someone like a Divyendu doing this.
मैं एक्चुअली दिव्येंदु सोच रहा था बट मैं सोच रहा था राजू के लिए
हाँ वो भी
मैं राजू के लिए दिव्येंदु
Oh,
सोचा
really?
बट देन
So
आई वाज
what-
लाइक नहीं
कि he's fast talking, he's kind of short.
But doesn't he have like a Kaminapan?
He
हाँ,
does.
इसीलिए-
That's
इसीलिए
also
नहीं,
as well.
that's
The ragging
नहीं,
scene, ragging वाला जो scene है
That's
यार.
not Kaminapan. That's like how do I get
mischief.
out of the situation?
Mischief ही
Yeah.
तो है ना
No,
Kaminapan.
Kaminapan
that's
is
street
deep.
smarts. No,
Yeah.
that's street smarts because you're like, oh, how do I get out of this situation?
Okay, so like you said, actors are allowed to be versatile. So that Kaminapan removed by 1 degree.
Are you using my words against me?
Yes.
मेरी बिल्ली
That's
मुझी
called
को
lawyering.
मियाऊं
Nice, okay.
And my comedian choice, and now when I look back at it, this will become Random Chicky Bum the movie, was Rahul Subramanian
Whoa, whoa.
as Rancho.
oh nice
Again, you're recreating the honest campus वाला cast of dude. KV हो गया.
Somewhat.
Sarao
So
Sarao
मेरा
गया.
हो जाएगा
तेरा जीतू भैया हो गया.
जीतू
भाई
भैया
क्या-
राहुल and KV will be my
crazy
the next big
वो
web series.
वो वाला ना इतना कहाँ पैकेज लगाया यार नहीं नहीं
Nice.
ब्रो आज मैं ऑफिस में बैठा था एंड ठीक है सो जस्ट मेड मी रियलाइज कि हम लोग एक अलग ही ऐसी जात है जो हमने पता नहीं कितनी चीजें पुरानी की देखी हुई है जो कि आजकल के लोगों ने नहीं देखी हुई तो यू वर सिटिंग एंड दिस इज वन कॉलीग एंड शी गोज कि यार ये ऑफिस बहुत ही ऑफिस जैसा नहीं लग रहा
Office.
एग्जैक्टली
ऐसे
राइट
ऑफिस में जाता है तू
अरे सुनो तो आज ही वहां पे कुछ
सरकारी office है क्या?
वहाँ पे कुछ रेनोवेशन
तेरे ऑफिस में कुछ काम नहीं हो रहा है?
के बाद आइएगा
देखिए आप हमारे ऑफिस में आएंगे तो 2 बातें होंगी.
Bro, see, exactly. The moment I said office, all of you went back to.
भाटिया जी समोसे ले
Yeah,
रहे हैं.
exactly.
Yeah.
वहाँ पे सारे बैठे
किसी को
हैं,
नहीं
like-
पता है
like, तो
अबे
फिर जिम कौन होगा और पैम कौन होगा And I'm like,
Nice. Oh, was this the Hindi remake?
कौन
of
सा
the
जेन
American
सी
The
ऑफिस
Office?
में जाता है यार तू
मतलब ऐसे laptop- and I'm- मैंने ऐसे देखा ऊपर
Dude, I would like to see The Office adaptation with the cast of Office
office, yeah.
called The Office Office. Mind blown, dude. Mind blown. Let's cast that next time.
And I literally I was like तुम लोग को कैसे नहीं पता and
Yeah, that's
bro
crazy,
then
huh?
she
That is
spent
crazy.
the next 10 minutes explaining what office was
Oh damn.
Nice.
and उस टाइम पे I was like भाई earphones
Dude, at the time when Office used to come on Sub TV,
Yeah.
Sub TV पे आते थे. Another show used to come called Yes Boss.
Yeah,
Starring
of
Rakesh
course.
Bedi,
of course
Asif Sheikh.
Yes.
Dude, I used to love that. I used to love that.
Yeah.
My parents and I used to watch it together all the time. It used to be great.
You remember, again, we're slightly off topic, but in Office 2, convince Asif Sheikh's character that she has
Asif
a...
Sheikh, Yes Boss, you mean, no?
हाँ, Yes Boss, what did I say?
You said
Office.
Sorry, I mean Yes Boss. राकेश बेदी एक बुड्ढा बन के आता था
Correct?
उसके ऊपर-
Yeah, of course. Oh, dude. So Yes Boss, it's about the boss likes his employee.
Yeah.
The employee has not disclosed to the boss that she's married because she knows the boss is kind of interested in her, so he wants to.
married to her husband who's her junior.
Who's a junior
Yeah.
in office, so they didn't
Yeah.
disclose it for whatever reason.
ऐसे शाहरुख की मूवी यस बॉस भी तो ऑलमोस्ट ऐसी
नहीं, correct.
ऐसी
So-
इन्हीं लाइंस पे है
Correct, kind of.
Yeah.
But then whatever happens, whenever Asif Sheikh's character goes to her house to like flirt with her or meet her or something, no, her husband is there Rakesh, played by Rakesh Bedi in like a budya, this thing, white beard, buda hair. Very, very funny, dude.
Yeah, very
What a
funny,
time,
man.
what a time.
मैंने क्या बोला था कितनी देर हो जाएगी इस एपिसोड को?
I think 1.5 घंटा.
हाँ अभी क्या और आप कह रहे थे 1 घंटे में खत्म हो जाएगा.
अभी तो
अभी
Rancho
58
तीन-
मिनट हुए
तीन
और अभी
character है.
रैंचो तक नहीं बताया
Rancho
किसी
पता नहीं
ने.
भाई तो
Anyway,
okay.
so yeah, so Divendu, who do you think works better, Subramanian or Divendu?
Devendra.
Bro,
In
Zahan.
that,
Divendu? Okay, okay, so Divendu is my
Yeah, okay,
option
ठीक
for
है. In that,
Rancho.
Devendra. Okay, what I would say again. So I was thinking about the star thing because I was like, Kapil Sharma is great. I got the comedian factor, comedic factor. Okay, I got Rajkumar Rao, who's the perfect, in my opinion, the perfect Raju. Okay, I want like a little bit of a star power at least, right? And I want someone who's like who can play the wide-eyed guy, who's like interested in everything.
Yeah.
Or everything is so fascinating. Okay, the life. I'm more excited about life. I want to live life.
Yeah.
Someone who can play that and can take us along for that ride, right? I thought someone who would be perfect for something like this would be Fahad Fasil. Okay, he's played these kind of like.
Malayali actors कर सकते थे क्या cast?
Yeah, who's stopping you?
Bro,
You-
that I was
you've done
going
it before, bro. You've done it
I
before in
thought
previous.
of anyway, go ahead then.
You've done it before, firstly, in
I
previous
thought
castings.
of Basil Joseph as Omi, but then I decided against it because I'm like, I
Why?
don't
Why
know.
not? You could have. man.
Fahad Fazil as Rancho.
That's awesome. It's
Bro,
perfect.
Doesn't fit, bro.
Dude, by the way, firstly, fun fact. Did you know there's been a remake
Of
of
3 Idiots.
Three Idiots, a
In
Tamil
Malayalam.
remake?
Oh, no, I
And you
didn't
know who
this.
played Rancho's character?
Who?
Thalapathy Vijay.
Whoa.
What?
The
Yeah,
current
bro.
CM of the state.
the movie's called Nanban. It's an exact
Oh
adaptation.
yeah, oh yes, I've heard about this.
It's an
Fuck, yes,
exact
but
adaptation.
I didn't know.
Thalapathy
about
Vijay, bro.
Thalapathy.
Like the
So he was one of the biggest
CM
star
of-
in the Malayalam industry.
Yeah, correct.
Play.
Played in Hindi again. Am I smart?
Yeah, how does that stand? You think he'll be able to pull off
Dude,
the...
I basically in my
I'm sure
eyes,
he knows Hindi.
in my eyes, Fahad Fasil can do no wrong as an actor. Okay, everything that I've seen him in. Okay, he plays these very often these offbeat roles.
Yeah.
Okay, they're not exactly the mainstream hero role. He'll always find like a weird, amazingly, very often funny
Bro,
angle.
he's too old, bro. I know
Dude,
we're not...
Amber is very old.
I know
And
we're
so
not
I'll
going
tell
for...
you, so I'll tell you,
Yeah.
like, just if you just go by that, in Avesham, he
I
played an
know.
older version, and then he just goes clean shave, and he looks like a kid, dude.
Bro,
He's a
that's
college
fine,
going kid.
but आपके फहद फासिल से आपको वो वाला वाइब आप बताए सो रैंचो फॉर मी इज टॉम एंड जेरी का जेरी अगर आप उसको ब्रो 100% लाइक 100
Just the year you're talking about,
नो
just
ब्रो
check it out.
भाई स्नीकी फटाफट से निकल जाना अब लाइक गेट योर वे थ्रू यू नो विद मिस्चिफ एंड ऑल ऑफ दैट डू यू सी फहद फासिल एज अ कैरेक्टर लाइक दैट जो फटफट से अब जैसे वो वाला सीन है फॉर एग्जांपल जब वो
Have you seen Fahad Fasil movies?
अरे हाँ यार
Because he's done this kind of role in a lot of movies.
He
where
can,
he's like,
bro, but as
where he's
Rancho,
he's the
as
scheming guy
as a
also.
student, I don't know, man.
I've seen him play the student and very passively so in recent movies, not in old movies.
अगर आपको फहद फासिल कास्ट करना है फॉर
He's younger than when Amir played it,
राजू
firstly.
ईरानी फिल्म ही वुड बी ग्रेट एज मुन्ना भाई
नहीं bro, उल्टा तू I don't
क्या
see him as Munna
बात
Bhai.
कर रहे हो ब्रो मुन्ना भाई में
See,
किल कर देगा फहद
again, he
फासिल
would, but I don't see him as Munna Bhai because now in Munna Bhai's that aura of Munna
Bro, but
Bhai,
that
I'm
was
imagining like a towering figure who has
That's
to
what
be
he
like
was in
fucking
Avesham, bro. The gangster, good-hearted gangster. That's what he
That's
was in
fine.
Avesham.
That's fine. I'm saying like it also like the persona, the personality matters. No. So Sanjay Dutt ka personality, if you're going by that, it has to be someone like who's tall and like towering over other people
भाई
because it's funnier that way.
personality is not always
Dude,
physical it's about the
I'm
aura
just imagining
But it's
scenes
obviously
between
funnier-
Kapil Sharma and Fahad Fasil.
Yeah. Correct. But what I'm saying is
Rajkumar Rao बीच में दोनों के.
fair enough. What I'm saying is it's obviously an added feature and funnier that a towering gangster is the well-meaning, the good-hearted gangster. That's obviously a funnier.
no
way
bro
to go
Chota
about it.
Don is also very funny
Well, you can
Wait,
go
what
any
are we
direction.
talking about right now?
We're going back to the Sanjay Dutt. Whether Fahad Fasil would be good.
as
And
Munna
we're,
Bhai.
we're not casting Munna Bhai right now. We're casting 3 Idiots. He'll be great at 3 Idiots. का Rancho. And Munna Bhai जब होगी तो देखा यार. We'll come up with better options.
ठीक है
But I think Fahad Fasil can do no wrong. I think Rajkumar Rao, Kapil Sharma,
And Fahad Fasil.
What a trio! Everyone will throw their money at the screen. We don't watch this movie so much. Dude, easily from all our movies, the easiest one to get funded for sure. without a doubt.
See, if you
these are gonna get
were
funded.
doing a Malayalam remake of Three Idiots, then I would not argue with you. I
What
don't know if
about
it
the
will
funding
work
thing?
about this being Fahad Fasil as
Okay.
Rancho,
Okay.
but him doing a Hindi movie, I don't know, man.
Dude, if it's his first movie, people are gonna be dying. Okay, let's see what Fafa does in the Hindi version of fucking Three Idiots. What a classic! Mind blown. Take my money right now. He's not
अलग
making it.
humor है यार कपिल शर्मा और फहद फासिल का. I
They'll
don't know.
match it, dude. They'll have rehearsals. What are you talking about?
फासिल ह्यूमर उधर कपिल शर्मा ह्यूमर और बीच में राजकुमार राव. सो डाउरी लेना जो है वो गलत बात होती है एक्चुअली.
मेरा टोस्टर किधर है?
और कब होगा लड़की के लिए मारुति 800 चाहिए.
Anyway, let's move on. We've almost been recording for an hour. Let's go to Chatur.
एक चतुर नार.
वेरी चालाक ब्रो. बताओ आपका चतुर कौन है?
अब मेरे को इतना confidence नहीं है. So basically, in the original Three Idiots, Chatur's whole thing was that he's an NRI, right?
Yeah.
That's why he
Yeah.
can't talk.
You got an
Hindi
NRI
very well.
actor?
No, सुन लेना.
अच्छा.
So in my this thing, he's a little different. This would have hit more if he hadn't mentioned Fahad Fasil before.
Oh,
I get it. You went South
But,
Indian.
yeah,
Someone not as good at
I've
fluent
cast
English.
someone who is a South Indian.
Who's not good at Hindi? रश्मिका मंदाना.
He's very good in Hindi, but he plays characters, or he has, just like you mentioned, Bhuvan Bam is huge on Insta. This guy is really big on Insta. He's played characters who are not good in Hindi. I've gone with Danish Seth as
Nice. Actually
as
nice.
Oh,
dude.
nice. Good.
Chatur.
Dude, actually,
Because
actually
I think
great.
he will be the one who will
Good
be able
one.
to do the
Actually great, dude.
nuances and speech and everything.
I also went for a very similar route. I went for the comedy route,
Ah.
but then I think this one is a better option.
But yeah,
Great
the Kannada characters that he plays in his
Very funny.
sketches are so funny.
Damn funny.
So he can do accents, he can
Yeah.
do body language,
Nice,
he's
nice.
got
I like
that comedy,
Yeah. This
body
one is
language,
good.
everything.
No doubt.
So Danish said
I'm
as
sold.
my
That's very good,
Chatur.
actually.
Yes, thank
I
you.
am
thank
impressed,
you,
dude.
guys.
Wow,
Thank
dude.
you,
Wow,
thank you,
dude.
thank you.
Wow, dude.
चतुर I had written so मैंने दो ऑप्शन लिखे थे. पहला मैंने लिखा था वीरदास.
Oh.
पहला मैंने वीरदास लिखा
मेरे
था.
ऊपर चित गिर जाएगा.
Yeah, exactly. Because
of Happy Patel.
Because of Happy Patel, and
Yeah.
because he also in his real life he spent most of his years
In the US.
हैं?
In where? He spent this time in the US.
He did spend his time in the US, yes.
Why are you so shocked?
And South Africa.
नहीं हाँ.
Yeah.
Like उसका
He was
बचपन,
born in
हाँ.
Kenya, हाँ.
Yeah. ठीक है. So इस वजह से मेरे माइंड में वीरदास भी आया था. And then like the second option that I went for was Kanan Gill
As Chatur.
as Chatur. हाँ, but
Kanan is too damn handsome.
हाँ,
dude.
तो वही
not,
वही
not,
है.
not.
अरे तो मैंने
Yeah,
उसको
yeah.
second option रखा
Yeah,
था.
yeah, yeah.
Like वीरदास I was like
Pia will leave and go for fucking Chatur, dude.
Chatur, yeah. So I Veerdas was the actual option, and the backup option was Karan Gill.
Okay.
Oh, so who have you gone for?
Veerdas,
Oh,
Veerdas,
okay,
Veerdas, yeah.
okay.
So
Actually, Veerdas is also quite handsome for Chatur, but ठीक
That's
है.
true, actually, yes.
but then
उसको थोड़ा dumb बना सकते
उसको थोड़ा उस जैसे उसमें भी था
Happy Patel.
बदमाश कंपनी, Happy Patel. He's played those characters.
In Namaste London, he's playing
Namaste
that-
London.
that
So he's
dumb
played
guy.
That
those
was
characters.
a lifetime ago, dude.
But he's capable of that, na yaar.
So उस वजह से मैंने वीरदास सोचा था कि वीरदास तो naturally कॉमिक तो है ही है, ठीक है, प्लस एक्टर भी अच्छा है. We've seen him play like good roles.
But yeah, you're right. Happy Patel कैसे copy paste करके तुम डाल दो बस उसमें.
तो वो exactly ओमी बनता है.
Now for the correct option, हाँ.
Yeah.
All right. Coming to my Chatur. Who was yours? Just remind me again. Who was yours again?
Danish Seth,
Veerdas.
Okay, cool. So mine, I'm not too happy. Okay, I was also thinking about the speech impediment kind of route. Okay, like someone who is has like a little maybe difficulty speaking in some way or the other. So you can play on that factor, right? Because in Omi ke case mein they played into the fact that he's not that good at Hindi, so he doesn't understand the words.
Yeah.
So whatever he's saying sounds like the other thing. Okay, or whatever he's saying it wrong, but he doesn't know he's saying it wrong. Okay, a route you can go down, okay, other than just the English part, is someone who has a speech impediment by default. I was thinking maybe not definitely not a great casting choice, but I would like to see this happen, is Ibrahim Ali Khan. Okay, he has an actual speech impairment. The only thing is I don't see him being open to having fun being made at this scale of
What's
his
the speech
impairment.
impediment? Like,
Oh,
he stutters?
he has a lisp.
Acha, he has a lisp.
He's an actual lisp and a very prominent lisp.
Acha.
Right? He famously does. So you can play into that, right? Like for instance, the famous Gata Lae Majadil from this thing, that's playing into the totla-ness of it.
Right.
So you can change the wording of that speech and not have the same joke repeat itself about because that joke is out of whack now, or out of time, right? Not off the times. So you can play into, I mean, totla ka making fun also is not. Now that I think about it.
Thanks. Now that you think about it.
Shit, I didn't think of that. But yeah, I know it's not exactly PC to make fun of.
So Ibrahim
this,
has been
but
in 2 movies, right, so far?
yeah, and his comic timing hasn't been great either of them. I get it. I support you in every way. Okay, I'm not that gung ho
So
about this
in your
concept.
movie, Fahad Fasil, Kapil Sharma and Rajkumar Rao will
I'll make fun of
will
him.
bully this little kid
Yeah.
who's done 2 movies.
Who has an actual list?
Who has an actual list. Okay then.
Everything about this is wrong.
See, like what kind of helps, right? Is like Omi's acting is already over the top.
Yeah.
Ibrahim is not good at acting. Okay.
वाह so मैं सोच
So
रहा
it's
था कि
already over
कौन
the top.
है जो खराब एक्टर है
So it's already over the top.
जिसको
You
मैं
know?
मूवी का one of the most important roles दे सकता हूँ.
Yeah, but why not? If he can play into it, see
Yeah.
what better way of playing into it than just making fun of it in a movie and such a mainstream movie. If you see, the best way to stop the haters is to just accept the hate and go with the hate, right? That's how you stop the bullying.
Of course, yeah.
So play into that is what I would say, and yeah, it's doable. It's obviously like if you're just thinking about you can't make fun of a lisp, it's a better thing to make fun of than what is actual in the
I
original
haven't
movie.
seen
Right?
any of his work, but is his lisp also like they like don't try to
They dub over it normally
they
in the
dub
movies.
over it.
Up till now, they have at least, if I'm not wrong, in the movies that he's done. Only in Bads of Bollywood they did not when he has a cameo of his.
Yeah.
But again, they're playing into the lisp on purpose because I think what happened is in the initial 2 movies I did, he got trolled a lot. Okay, because people were like, firstly,
Nadania and Sarzami.
Sir, yeah. He played a terrorist or something in Sarzameen or something, right?
No, he played a soldier. No, he played terrorist.
Soldier का बेटा.
अच्छा.
Who becomes a terrorist?
Who becomes a terrorist? थोड़ा सा कुछ इसी तरीके का plot.
ऐसे कुछ है, हाँ. तो anyway, what was I saying?
Nothing.
Yeah.
Not a great choice.
So yeah, just Ibrahim Ali Khan. I thought of like a couple of reasons why he might work for a role like this. I understand that he's not
this
the greatest
choice,
choice.
at least you're self-aware that it's not a great choice.
हाँ.
Dude,
Unlike Kapil Sharma.
Dude, मैं बहुत सोच समझ के करता हूँ, ठीक है? I think कि what would be हटके, who is someone who would like to have an opportunity like this, who would do something like this, be open to something like this, and he would do a good job at it. That's what all these factors are coming down to. But let's move on to the next one.
Virus, no?
Would Biswa be a good चातुर?
यार मैं बहुत
मैंने भी
बिस्वा को
बहुत
कहीं तो घुसा हूँ.
Same, मैंने भी बहुत try किया बिस्वा को कहीं पे डालने.
Oh, you guys are going full comedy scene, dude. What is
Full
this?
IIT
Bro,
comedy,
IIT
bro.
comedy,
So many
IIT
IIT
slash
IIT
comedy.
comedy. Okay,
Yeah.
nice. Okay, fair enough.
Okay, so now we come to the main antagonist of the movie, Viru Sahasrabuddhe, or Virus, played by Baman Irani in the original.
I have slayed this one.
भाई
so good.
क्या बात
I'm
कर रहे
so
हो?
good.
मुझे लगता है कोई एग्जिस्ट ही नहीं करता जो वायरस प्ले कर
Dude, I
सकता है भाई.
think again the reasons that I will give. You just
Uh,
wait.
Who wants to go first? You want to go first?
हाँ आप ही
Okay,
बताओ.
let's do it. I think. Okay, I have 2 options. Okay. Again, first one is good. Okay, nobody can doubt this person's comedic timing and acting prowess at all. Okay, which is of course the case with Baman Irani, the original actor.
Yeah.
Also, this actor has to be like, should be able to play the khadoos guy, the quick to anger guy, the strict
Yes,
guy.
yeah.
Okay, set in his ways. Okay, one possible actor, the first possibility in my roster who could play this is Akshay Khanna. Okay, firstly, another excuse for him to wear a wig. Okay, I know Akshay Khanna lately has been looking for excuses like that after Dhurandhar because he didn't do a recent Drishyam 3 apparently because
yeah.
they wouldn't let him wear a wig, which is a weird thing to say no to a movie for. But okay,
And more money.
he wanted more money than they had offered him, which again, it's your right.
After Dhurandhar.
If you can demand more money, that's what it is. subscribe to the channel and give us memberships.
What's the second option?
The second option, which I think I've knocked it out of the park.
Abbas was 0% interested in Akshay. And he's like, I don't even want to have a conversation around Akshay Khanna at this point.
Yeah, like because we know. Na de dil. Okay. The most perfect option. Okay.
Just say who it is.
No, it is a person who. So basically, Virus,
Viru,
Viru's character,
Virus.
Virus' character, is fucking gung ho about time. हर चीज टाइम टू टाइम होनी चाहिए. हर चीज टाइम टू टाइम होनी चाहिए. मेरा अखबार का है.
Paresh
Rawal. An extension of his Ram Gopal Bajaj role, right? In like a comedic aspect. Okay? 7 बज गए. मेरा मूत्र किधर है? You know?
What?
Because he drinks his pee,
Drinks
dude.
it like a beer.
Drinks it like a beer.
Oh, अच्छा.
क्या भाई?
Paresh Rawal.
Yeah. 7 बज गए. हर चीज टाइम टू टाइम होनी चाहिए. मेरा that's another something they can play into for the character.
जो मूत्र.
Why not? He wants, like he has heard somewhere in some science class that it actually helps his health in some way. He's like, this is what I gotta do, dude. And then he tells his helper, okay, hey, if I'm asleep. I didn't say that. He said it, dude.
पिछले दो कास्ट कैरेक्टर्स में अंतरिक्ष यू गॉन डाउन अ लिटिल बिट. जो तो होम रन मार रहा था ना कि कपिल शर्मा फाद फासिल.
Oh, you're saying this is a good option.
ठीक है. परेश रावल. ओके.
Paresh Rawal,
like सबने सोचा होगा परेश रावल.
Like
the more vanilla.
तुमने पूछा? Yeah? Did you guys think of this?
इससे ज़्यादा vanilla आप बस पंकज त्रिपाठी कर सकते थे.
Was that an option? No, not for this one. Not for
चलो
this
good,
one.
शुक्र है.
I think this is one of the few episodes where I think none of our recasting will have any overlap. I think all
you
of
think?
us,
हो सकता
yeah,
है.
Because I think
pretty
we have
sure.
primed ourselves to not
Think
now-
like
Yeah,
each
think-
other at this point.
Yeah.
Now we know what
Not
the
be
other person will
predictable.
think like.
Yeah. Or what the other person will say when we come up with this option.
Okay,
Yeah.
so you're going with Paresh Rawal. Okay.
Paresh. Also, fantastic actor. Nobody can doubt
Also,
it.
he again quit Hera Fairy 3.
Really?
So he has a 3 in the
He has
name
more
open
time now.
to do another movie with a 3 in the name. Yeah.
Okay, so I thought कि भाई original 3 Idiots को कुछ तो homage देना होगा.
Bro,
Okay, so
I
you
knew
put.
I knew this.
Or
I
Amir.
got Amir will be playing Virus
I
in
knew
this.
this.
Not even slightly, bro.
Under makeup and given the right kind of direction, I think Amir will be able to pull it off big time.
Oh, so
and
you're
he
saying
can-
his and the entire movie he'll be playing, you know, in 3 Idiots the original, whenever he makes fun of
Yeah.
Virus, he does like, you'll be a broken anda, son, whatever, do that,
Yeah.
do this kind of way. So that's his entire character in this movie.
Yeah. Anyway, Amir has been doing a little bit of overacting in the last couple of films that he's done with Lal Singh Chaddha and all. But yeah, I think in this he'll fit perfectly like a glove for Virus. And I think it'll be something different. कितना हीरो प्ले करेगा यार. आमिर थोड़ा विलन भी प्ले करना चाहिए. And it'll be an homage to the original 3 Idiots as well.
I actually don't see this at all.
So,
I think it'll be,
all,
nobody will buy
all-
it, the entire movie.
Why not? He'll be
People-
under heavy makeup, bro. And he
So,
loves
so heavy
working
makeup,
under
matlab people won't know it's Amir Khan? Is that what you're
No,
saying? So
but-
people will know, nah.
But
So
it'll
people
not
will-
be the Amir Khan they see every day. It'll be a different
See,
Amir Khan.
they'll just keep trolling him more because he's been doing these kind of roles which don't land, which he does
But
overacting
in this the character requires it. Virus is this over hyper.
But see,
strict person.
you can argue that Lal Singh Chaddha also kind of requires a slightly more.
No, bro, not at all.
Have you not seen?
I have
It
seen,
did,
but
but
it,
he
the
overdid
original
it.
is that
Yeah.
only, dude.
It did, but he overdid it.
Yeah, but
in
the
this,
character
if
is
he overdoes it, it'll play
Play
into the
into the
comedic,
character, yeah.
Play into the comedic.
I mean, you
tone
can.
of the character.
Matlab, I am also not
Maybe.
very like on board with
could.
Amir Khan as Viru.
It can go very easily. It can go over, you know, for Amir.
That's fine. With Paresh Rawal, it can't.
Dude, tell me when it has.
Hera Pheri.
It's perfectly.
That's what
he
his
got the soul perfect.
His hyperness plays into the character. Same way Amir's hyperness
No, but
will also
see-
play into the character.
Paresh Rawal, for all I know, at least what I've seen, he always catches the sur perfectly of every character.
भाई आमिर
In
खान
that
is a
regard-
method actor, bro.
उसने अभी
Paresh
बोला है
is also-
मेथड एक्टर फुद्दू चीज होती है. परसों वाले इंटरव्यू में बोला
मेथड
उसने.
एक्टर बोलते हैं ऐसा यार,
अच्छा,
पता नहीं,
अच्छा,
हाँ,
अच्छा, अच्छा.
इसलिए.
Anyway,
हाँ,
it's
who's
okay.
yours?
My Viru Sastra Buddhi is Neeraj Kabi.
ओह भाई तू पूरी
okay, got
इंडी
it.
पिक्चर बना रहा है
भाई,
भुवन बाम को छोड़ के
नीरज कभी की एक तो भाई वो बंदा क्लासिक एक्टर है,
The
कमाल
also
है।
was
I don't
in
think I've
Sacred
seen
Games.
him do-
Sacred
him
Games था ना?
doing comedy.
Comedy,
हाँ.
yes. So again, obviously he,
Sacred Games वाला ना?
yeah. So he has mostly done like serious.
He's a great actor, very
he's a-
celebrated actor.
भाई
Yeah, correct.
उनका थिएटर वर्कशॉप आप अटेंड करो भाई,
तूने किया?
क्रेजी या डूड। मतलब नहीं, मैंने अटेंड नहीं किया भाई, मैं उतना अफोर्ड ही नहीं कर सकता, इतना पैसा भी वो मांगते हैं।
तेरे को बता था।
A bunch of like my friends who are rich who have attended the workshop. So yeah, मतलब मैं तो नहीं अफोर्ड कर सकता, but then भाई, so the emotions जो वो अपनी वर्कशॉप्स में या जो मैंने उनको देखा है स्क्रीन पे निकालते हुए, one of the producers of Once Again जो फिल्म उन्होंने करी थी, spoke with the producer, like he's a family friend of sorts. तो like I've heard so many good things about the discipline, about the craft, the art, the intelligence that he brings to the table. I think he would be great क्योंकि
But isn't he a very serious
he is, that's what. So Viru Sahasrabudhe is also जो उसका
कौन बोला था actors are allowed to be versatile?
But they are. But has he
he
done
has,
anything?
that's also
like an inkling
so
of this?
that will be, so this role will be like a revelation for him कि हम लोग ने उनको आज तक कॉमेडी आउट एंड आउट कॉमेडी करते हुए नहीं देखा, जबकि so this is the type of comedy जो वो actually we can accept him under, क्योंकि हमने उनको सीरियस रोल करते हुए देखा है। वीरू सहस्रबुद्धे का एक बहुत मेजर सीरियस अंडरटोन भी है। he is affirmative, he is vengeful, he has that like firm mannerisms also. उसके बाद उसका थोड़ा थोड़ा पोपट भी होता रहता है, विच आई फील नीरज कभी कैन ऑब्वियसली लाइक पुल ऑफ।
But doesn't Virus also have a lisp in the movie?
Yeah, he does.
Why don't you
Ibrahim
cast-
Ali Khan.
उसने वही सोच के तो डाला था।
Yeah, I was saying. So also, yeah. So the list thing, right? If you do the list thing with Paresh Rawal, you can go back to his Hera Fairy days and do some of those jokes as like a callback kind of thing, like the
Nostalgia
Totla wala,
baiting, basically,
Nostalgia baiting,
yeah.
yeah, why not? Everyone's doing it.
I
Why not
mean,
capitalize?
I can't have an opinion on this because he's a great actor, but I've not seen him do comedy, so maybe he'll be able.
He's
to
talking
pull
about
it
Neeraj
off.
Kapoor.
Yeah, I
Neeraj
know,
Kapoor,
of course,
हाँ.
but so again, भाई वीरू सहस्रबुद्धे का जो कॉमेडी अंडरटोन्स हैं वो
बुद्धि नहीं बुद्धे है वो।
बुद्धे, okay.
वीरू सहस्रबुद्धे। हाँ. Continue.
ठीक है। I feel क्योंकि
बहुत
हम
अजीब है यार तेरी कास्टिंग पूरी पिक्चर की। Like I can't give an opinion because it's very weird.
how is it weird? All of them
Vijay
fit
Verma.
perfect, bro.
all
And who was
weird,
your
all
rancho?
भाई जहान कपूर।
Zahan Kapoor again. No, I haven't seen much of him. What
तो
can I
bro,
say?
that's a you problem. आपने देखा
No, no,
ब्लैक
that's a you
वॉरेंट?
problem.
Black Warren was nothing like his
अरे of course,
character
but
in
then
as
the
Rancho.
thing is कि that he can play it. मुझे मालूम है मेरे।
मतलब ये पोटेंशियल पे बेच रहा है
Of
सिर्फ तो पूरी
course.
पिक्चर के ये हो सकता
यार
है।
कब तक हम उन्हीं एक्टर्स के पूल में खेलते रहेंगे ना यार, we need to
नहीं
experiment.
मेरे भी देख अलग अलग है। ये तो इधर इब्राहिम और
Yeah, for the boss, bro.
कपिल शर्मा।
You guys
so-
just keep it too safe and all. I don't
Anyway, this was a weird round. I don't think any of us have a good.
Paresh Rawal is
virus.
great, dude. What are you talking about? He can play
It's
comedy
very
to
done,
the
been there,
fucking-
done that, yaar.
So why would he not get that role? He would
भाई
obviously
वो-
get it. He would
Because-
accept it. He would
Bro,
nail it,
you
dude.
remember him in vampire वाली पिक्चर कौन सी थी यार? Thama में he sleepwalked through the role. We've seen
Dude,
him
that character
role.
had nothing. There was
but
no
he's
comedy
done
in
that
it.
kind of role so many times. He's done it
This
well.
is not that kind of role. This is
Arre,
this
but
is
you
a
are
more
saying
elevated role.
it's a been there, done that role. We've seen Paresh Rawal in this
But
thousands
he's
of
done-
times.
dude, but
अभी तूने ही कोट
he-
किया
does he
उसको,
not
तूने ही
excel at
तेजा
this?
वाला कोट किया. You think he'll be able to pull this off better than what he did in Teja? I don't think
Dude,
so.
see, firstly, people are dying for any nostalgia bait, okay? Like, I know maybe
That's
it's
not a
overkill
good
also.
reason to cast people.
भाई people are tired of nostalgia beating. I
Dude,
feel
if it's
भाई
if it's
people-
done right, then it's done right. It
Why
is what it is.
people
That
call
will
it
almost
that way,
always
then
be the
my
case.
casting is also nostalgia baiting. Remember Amir Khan in the original one where here he is again in the remake.
you're nostalgia bait, but then you have to be able to see that person as the character
saw
also.
it.
You saw it, dude. Nobody else can see it. Paresh Rawal, see, the thing is, when you walk out of a movie, you are never doubting, oh, Paresh Rawal ने अच्छी acting नहीं की.
Bro, बहुत
That's
single
never the
note हो
case.
गया है Paresh. I
When
can't
was
remember the
it?
last good great performance that he
Dude,
gave.
he always is.
You tell me what was
very
the
good.
last really good performance he gave?
Lallandop.
That I
He was the acting. I think this one, dude. The half Rishi Kapoor, half this one movie.
शर्मा जी नमकीन.
Sharma Ji Namkeen, he was quite all right in.
But Rishi Kapoor was still better.
भाई
in
वो
that
ग्रेट
role.
पूछ रहे हैं, आप कह रहे हो क्वाइट ऑल राइट.
Ravi, off the top of my
और
head,
वो भी
remember all his
good
movies?
वो भी
Remember all his
2021
movies,
में
no?
आई थी यार, 4-5 साल हो गए
So
उसको.
he hasn't done that much in the last few years, has he?
He's in every third movie, bro.
अब मैं
And
क्या
he's
करूँ
not
यार?
in every third movie.
Dude, he's a fantastic actor. Now to remember in the last few years
he
what he
used
did
to
best.
do great work. Now he doesn't do anymore.
That dude, he's a fantastic actor. I don't know now.
Anyway,
now
चलो,
he doesn't
आगे
do now
बढ़ते
he's
हैं.
thinking
कोई बात नहीं,
उसमें
कोई
कैसे आ
बात
गया?
I'm saying
एक्चुअली द थिंग इज कि ऑफ लेट वो कुछ इतना बढ़िया
नहीं,
नहीं
कुछ
कर
नहीं
पाया है, ये
So this
कहना
will
चाह
be-
रहा
और
है.
वायरस वाला रोल
Does
बहुत
that
ही
mean he doesn't deserve a good meaty role where he can do something
yes
awesome?
because your track
He's awesome.
record is what you've been doing lately. इसीलिए हमने सलमान
but-
खान को मिड में डाला.
That's a different episode. Go watch that. But I would say that the actor shines through. People see people. It's not like people.
I'm disagreeing with you. I don't think that's
Yeah,
it's
but it's not
It's
like
okay, guys.
nobody
we can
thinks-
talk about Kareena Kapoor, Mona Singh, Rahul Kumar, Millimeter, Suhas, Joy Lobo, and Asli Rancho also. It's okay.
Okay, but anyway.
Moving on to Pia.
अंतरिक्ष के अंदर रह गया है अभी कि मैं कैसे और कन्विंस करूं
Yeah.
आपको परेश रावल के
नहीं,
लिए.
नहीं, ठीक है,
Paresh
it's okay,
Rawal
yeah.
will be thankful to you.
He'll
Pia.
he'll share मूत्र with
ये भी चलेगा प्योर.
चल तेरे को स्टार्ट करना है.
Pia. Okay, Pia.
Played by Kareena Kapoor
Pia.
in the original.
So my Pia originally was Kiara Advani, but then I was like, okay, very vanilla. So I went for Sai Pallavi.
Okay.
I had thought of Sai Pallavi also. Fair enough. Decent.
है ना?
No,
Good choice.
nothing
Thanks,
wrong.
guys.
Yeah, nothing wrong. What? She's again is fine. Yeah.
What do you think is the defining character of Pia?
Bubbly, a little bubbly.
Same, no? Bubbly, yeah.
Yeah.
You think Sai Pallavi will be able to pull
100%.
off
आपने गाना नहीं देखा सावन का दिया?
bubbliness? Okay, sure. Anything else you want to add? मैंने तो
So
कुछ
also-
वही कास्ट किया है.
So also I think playing bubbly a lot of people and actresses can
Yeah.
do rather well.
Yeah.
Sai Pallavi would fit that for sure. There's nothing wrong with that casting. Yeah, fair enough.
Yeah.
Plus the जैसे आपने पता नहीं अब so this is something that I thought of while I was casting. करीना कपूर का देखा जब वो like the redness on the cheeks and that I think Sai Pallavi also has a very similar like अभी उसका एक दिन का ट्रेलर देखो अगर आप तो like redness on the cheek, nose a little red when like जब वो रोती है तो उसका पूरा चेहरा ऐसा लाल सा हो जाता है वैसा जैसे करीना कपूर में होता
वो मेकअप भी कर सकते हैं पता है.
yeah anyway that was a thought that was
So,
like a fleeting thought
Again, so in like kind of along the same. I was like, who will be a safe option?
Yeah.
You know, like so. What are the traits, right, for Pia's character? Again, should be bubbly or should be able to play bubbly. Okay.
but then
should
one
be-
very heavy emotional scene
Yeah, that's fine. So that means like this good enough actor.
Good actor,
right? The emotional scene is at the end with her father, where she tells her, "Okay, आपने भैया ने इस्तेमाल किया."
भैया नहीं था
हाँ.
मर्डर था
हाँ, yeah, correct. So yeah, so someone has to who able to play bubbly, able to have a few serious acting moments if needed. Beautiful to a T.
Bharti from Kapil Sharma.
Yeah,
Sorry,
gorgeous,
go ahead.
man. Yeah. So beautiful to a T. Okay. Again, you have to Kareena beauty standards like beautiful.
वो तो नहीं मैच हो सकते ना भाई
But see, I would say Kriti Sanon would be perfect in this. Perfectly serviceable in something like this.
I don't think there is a wrong
wrong
choice.
wrong answer for this
That was- yeah, what
Because
is it?
all of us are going to go for like leading ladies
Yeah.
and none of them would not be able to do
Yeah,
this
I think so. Yeah,
Yeah.
correct. Fair enough.
हाँ तो मैं भी I have also gone for Sania Malhotra.
Yeah, that was second option. I was like,
Yeah,
either or. ठीक है, there's no wrong.
Sania Malhotra is all of ours Vikrant Masse वो हमारे
हर
सबके
कहीं तो आ ही जाती है।
आ ही जाती
वो
है
गोरी चिट्टी लाल बबली हो
Yeah.
गया हर टिक मार्क
Correct,
हो गया
marks.
और
Anyway,
क्या चाहिए
मोना के लिए कौन चूज
डांस
किया
भी
आपने?
अच्छा कर लेती है
Oh,
तो
Mona के लिए I have something very interesting.
Okay.
Okay, I was like, see, Mona is a character whose age like doesn't really matter. Like she can be like 5 years older also or 10 years older also than Pia.
Yeah.
Right? As long as she's younger than the father, of course, played by Paresh Rawal. You know, that's fine. As long as she's able to present as much younger than the father, that's all you really need.
Otherwise she will become mother.
It is what it is, dude. It is what it is. So like, I was saying like,
ऐसी बातें
Yeah.
करता है
I'm just saying कि ऐसा नहीं कि age doesn't matter at all. थोड़ा
हाँ,
matter
so
करता है. But there's
किसको
a
cast
range.
किया आपने?
There's enough of a range. There's enough of a range.
नीना
वो तो परेशान की मम्मी निकलेगी. वो दादी है भैया की दादी. अरे दादी आप pregnant है?
जय बच्चन.
Yeah. So I have done a few things here. Okay, firstly I was like, okay, so if
What
you
have you done?
if you want to go down, what the fuck is wrong?
For
with you?
God's sake. If you want to go down where?
If you wanna do the whole route of nostalgia bait or okay, you know, like throwback to the original, you could have Kareena Kapoor
As
play
the
her
elder
old
sister.
sister's role. Okay, that's one possibility. But I'm like, okay, no. What if I want like so again? This character is also a little bubbly. Okay, or it's also like telling her sister, "Arey karna, kiss him. No, if you don't kiss him, I will." You know, all those kind of things that she does. I think Preeti Zinta would be great in something like this. Yes, she is like age-wise, she's a little bit older than what Mona Singh was when she played this role. I think Mona Singh was around 30. If I'm not wrong, please correct me if I'm wrong. When she played the role, Preeti Zinta is not that, but the age is almost immaterial in something like this.
Preeti Zinta is 50 plus.
Yeah, but younger than
Really?
Paresh Rawal. So, you know?
Okay.
But again, she presents younger.
Sorry,
you
I
know,
didn't
most women present younger on screen. It is just what it is.
Fair.
So I think this could work. Kareena could work. Yeah. So another option I thought of, but I'm like, we could just a quick throwaway is if my Pia had been Sana Malhotra, the older sister could have been Fatima Sana Sheikh.
Fatima Sana
So could have been like a
Oh,
thing
Dangal
like a Dangal
reunion,
in a way. But
So
yeah.
my Mona's character is played by Parineeti Chopra, guys.
Oh.
तेरी पिया कौन थी?
साई पल्लवी.
साई पल्लवी.
मस्त
Parineeti
जाएगा
Chopra.
एकदम. Parineeti Chopra.
हाँ, पनीर चोपड़ा
They don't look like sisters at all.
भाई करीना कपूर और मोना सिंह कौन सी बहनें लग रही है आपको?
Possible.
करीना कपूर
Possible.
सिंह नहीं.
Possible. It has to be just possible as
Who
sister.
was your Pia?
My Pia was Kriti Sarwan, dude.
Preeti Zinta and
Pretty
Preeti
Zinta.
Zinta.
Yeah.
ये तो है ना बहनें लग रही है आपको.
I mean, they can pass off as sisters,
No,
man.
तो
I
they can pass off. She can pass
Bro,
off as
कैसी
sister,
बातें हैं
यार.
ये
They
भाई?
look completely different, dude.
How?
Dude, Parineeti Chopra and Sai Pallavi.
Yeah.
Bro,
They'll have
Kareena
different
और मोना,
accents, they'll have
Kareena और
different-
मोना सिंह
Bro,
कौन से
Kareena Mona
बहन
is also
लगते हैं?
very different.
I mean, I don't know, dude.
हो सकता है वो बोर्डिंग स्कूल में बैंगलोर चली गई साई पल्लवी यार. इट्स फाइन. आ गया एक्सेंट वहां से अगर आप एक्सेंट की बात कर रहे हो तो.
Another stretch you're gonna make.
अरे बट आई सो द लाइक आई कैन फुल्ली सी परिणीति डू की जो आपने बोला कि अरे किस हिम यार ही सो क्यूट ही
शाहरुख और सलमान भी भाई नहीं लगते हैं, पर थे ना करण अर्जुन.
Wow, point तो है भाई आपका point तो है ऐसे point.
भाई.
Yeah. Yeah.
I don't see anything wrong with.
ऑफ कोर्स अब्बास भाई यू एंड आई मैच.
Because I was going to say वो वैसे भी राघव चड्ढा के साथ शादी करने के बाद मतलब भाभी बन गई है एकदम मतलब.
अरे अब्बास भाई क्या ही ऐसा क्या बीजेपी ज्वाइन कर लिया उसने. आप तो खानदान पे पहुंच गए.
Not in that way, but like.
Are you one of the people who's happy
she's-
about the 30-day payment cycle for your phone bill?
My क्या कहते हैं मोना was
Mona darling.
मानवी गागरू.
Oh,
Now
KV's wife.
I just
KV's
realized I have
wife.
cast KV and his wife in the same movie.
and then केवी से नेगोशिएट करने ले यार अपनी बीवी को ले यार.
So, dude,
मानवी से
So,
नेगोशिएट
and
करने.
Mona are the ones who are actually together, dude. Wow, in your movie.
So yeah.
There's a love story happening.
Nice.
So Sanya Malhotra and Manvi Gagru would be my sisters.
हाँ.
Fair enough.
Not my sisters, but
They actually, dude,
They actually look like sisters.
they actually do. Think about it. They can pass off as
Thanks,
sisters, dude.
Antariksh. Yes.
I think in my head they do. I don't know.
Nice, fun.
Okay, who's left, man? Suhas is left.
Suhas, bro.
There's a Suhas is good,
Joy, क्या कहते हैं? Suhas?
Suhas,
हाँ,
Joy
Suhas.
और
Oh, yeah.
जावेद जाफरी, Real Rancho.
Suhas was the fiance. Which one do you want to do next?
Suhas पहले करते हैं.
Suhas? ठीक है. So yeah, he plays like the dumbass in the movie. And
He's
for
not
what?
dumbass. He's the fucking rich guy, bro.
Yeah, but he's the dumbass in the movie.
I mean,
okay.
but not
तू कर लेना शादी
dumbass.
उससे.
He's like the guy who's like
He's the rich asshole.
the rich asshole, like it likes to tell his woman what
So
to
I've
do.
been wanting to cast Jim Sarb in a role like this.
Bro, Jim Sarb, bro, Jim Sarb.
Dude, I had Jim Sarb, but I didn't do it.
Bro, Jim
Oh,
Sarb,
man.
bro.
Do it for
fuck, bro.
Do it for the
Because-
plot,
No,
Antariksh.
fair. I get it. Jim Sarb would be like
100%
it's like a good,
100%
totally.
like a decent fit. Yeah, it
Yeah.
fits. It just works.
Bro, it's right there.
Because the
right
look
there.
is also there.
The look, speech,
Yeah, the speech is
yeah,
also
body language,
there.
everything.
That is just what it is.
बैकग्राउंड में बजेगा बिंद दिल मजरिया में
Who did you go with?
I went with. Firstly, I cheated here.
Okay.
I put.
को पता
No. I hid it from her. She doesn't know yet. So I cheated here and I put Ranbir Kapoor as my first option. I know it's not loud. Why? But why? Because he's the only person who I see saying, "Mere 4 lakh ke joote, wipe it off." That's for that joke. Sorry, guys. Okay, but I thought another decent option for something like this would be a person who I've seen only in one other movie, but in that movie he was really fucking amazing. Like he was one of the better things about that movie, and the movie in general wasn't that great. But Mizan Jafri, who I saw recently in Dede Pyar De, in Dede Pyar De 2. Dede Pyar De 2 only, no?
Yeah.
Mizan Jafri, I think he'll be good at this. He'll be good at playing the, hey, why can't you see that this is my Sherwani? It's so expensive. My jute are so expensive. But मेरी घड़ी अभी तुमने
तूने जो 2 स्टार सन की ऐसे चड्डी उतारी ना पिक्चर में इब्राहिम और मीज़ान
चड्डी
were
होता है यार।
barely into their career.
But चड्डी होता है।
यार ऊपर से
I want him.
मिजान is a dude. He's
that's
a
what-
proper
he's also
dude.
a
He's not
hero.
Suhas.
No, but Suhas is like the guy who is like obsessed about his money, you know. That
No,
anyone
he's
tall, lanky can kind of play that.
भाई
Yeah, so why
मिजान
Mizan?
stud भाई वो proper stud है.
But he like you can play, you
So
can
तू भी
play Sherwani.
homage दे रहा है. Javed Jafri was in the original, so his son should be in this one.
In a way, yes. That also is part of it.
Nice.
Part of it. But I think
But yeah,
it could work.
but bro, in the movie, Suhas, we're supposed to
Be a laughing stock.
we're supposed to laugh at him.
Dude, Dede Pyar De 2 mein he's kind of he's the laughing stock.
bro, he's the
he
stud.
He gets bullied by what's her name? Rakul Preet's character in the
Bro,
movie.
पूरी फिल्म में तो वो jealous feel करा रहा है अजय देवगन
Bro,
को आपके
but
great actor
end
को.
में क्या पता चलता है वो तो डरा हुआ था अरे सॉरी प्लीज मेरे माफ कर दो
अरे
मेरे
bro,
माफ
that's just one scene कि वो अपनी best friend से bully हो रहा है. That's not like a laugh stock वाला
Dude,
character.
that's a big laugh. That's the only reveal laugh in the whole movie. Don't you remember?
पता नहीं, I feel that he's more of a stud कि जिससे रैंचो को डरना चाहिए भाई लड़की ले जाएगा.
पर भाई मेरा
मतलब
रैंचो
he's
भी
that
फाफा है ना
jealous
भाई मेरा
में
रैंचो
Fahad
फाफा
Fasil-
है फाफा is a
Fahad
con.
Fasil can feel threatened by Mizan Jafri.
Easily.
हाँ तो but Rancho's brain doesn't work like that. No, he won't, man. What are you talking about?
चलो कोई बात नहीं,
Yeah.
बढ़िया है मीजान जाफरी. कोई
ठीक
tension
है.
चलो बढ़िया बोल दिया बोल दिया.
ठीक है.
Joy?
सो माय जॉय लोबो एक्चुअली मुझे पता है कौन सा था, मैं क्या ही किताब खोलूं. माय जॉय लोबो वाज नवीन को मैं आपको बोला था ना एक टीवीएफ
TVF
कैरेक्टर
वाला,
मैंने
हाँ.
तो नवीन कस्तूरिया वाला बिकॉज आई लाइक भाई आईआईटी एक ऐसा एंगल जो थोड़ा सैड है, ठीक है, बहुत मेहनत कर. नवीन कस्तूरिया का बॉडी लैंग्वेज भी थोड़ा वैसा है कि सर ये देख लो ना सर प्लीज देख लो. सो या आई वाज लाइक नवीन कस्तूरिया अच्छा लगेगा ऐसा सॉरी करते हुए
मर के जी
लिए. एंड देन इमेजिन जहान कपूर ऐसा हेलीकॉप्टर लेके जाता है उसके एंड देन नवीन
Why? So I have
क्योंकि
also...
एस्पिरेंट्स को शूट करना ना, फिर
I
उसको
know,
यहाँ
yeah,
से कैसे
exactly,
कट
yeah.
करेंगे.
I have also gone for someone who's a lead in a web series.
Okay.
I've gone for Shashank Arora, who plays the lead in जो Made in Heaven
Made in
में
Heaven.
है, जो सुपर बॉयज ऑफ मालेगांव में, उसका भी ऐसे थोड़ा सैड सा चेहरा है,
हाँ.
थोड़ा इंजीनियरिंग कॉलेज का मारा
true.
हुआ.
आई लव हाउ इंजीनियरिंग कॉलेज का जो टेम्पलेट बनाया हुआ है हमने, सैड चेहरा है हमारा
और गिटार बजा सकता
गिटार बजा
है,
सकता
वो
है.
ठीक है.
नाइस.
तो या,
I've not seen aspirants and I don't.
but you Google Shashank Arora, you'll identify his face.
Okay.
सुपर बॉयज ऑफ मालेगांव तो देखी आपने?
सुपर मार्को ने देखी.
अच्छा.
हाँ, आपको पता है जावेद अख्तर ने पिछले 10 साल मुझसे बेटर फिल्म नहीं देखी.
And it just happens to be produced by his
daughter.
Yeah, he's just objectively speaking, he thinks it's the best.
ठीक है.
या
So who's yours?
I just said no. It was Mizan Jafri.
अरे जॉय लो.
Oh, Joy Lobo तो पहुंच गया.
Yeah. भाई आप कहाँ हैं?
भाई जिम सार भाई हमने बोल दिया था
Oh yeah,
सुहास.
बोले यार. I zoned out. Sorry.
हाई फाइव वगैरह सब किया है.
Okay, cut off.
No, keep it.
No, cut. So who was the Joy Lobo again?
Shashank Arora,
Naveen
and
Kasturia.
Okay, Shashank Arora, Naveen Kasturia. My Joy Lobo, if I can find it, 1 second, is okay. So my Joy Lobo is
Lobo nahi, Lobo.
yeah, Lobo.
Make the logo bigger.
my Joy Logo, my Joy Gogo, do Gogo Paji. My Joy Lobo is someone whose eyes have a little bit of sadness.
रणबीर कपूर.
No, it's not allowed. For last one was just has like natural sadness. I think like that the one image you need is the person playing the guitar and crying his heart out. That Sari Umram Banwa Kisi Re. I think Agastya Nanda could work in something like this.
इतने छोटे रोल में
भाई ऊपर से अगस्त्य नंदा और आपकी बाकी कास्ट में वो सेम क्लासमेट्स. अगस्त्य नंदा इज सपोज्ड टू बी एल्डर देन फहद फासिल.
No,
ऑफ
I mean,
कोर्स
yeah.
जॉय लोबो ग्रेजुएट हो रहा है.
Bro,
रैंचो फर्स्ट ईयर में
अली
है.
फजल, आमिर खान. तू बता.
भाई आमिर खान एक्चुअली अली फजल से छोटा लग रहा था उस पिक्चर में.
So Fafa can firstly look very young. So you've not seen him without a beard or what? He's played college roles all the time. He still does
भाई
it.
बट अगस्त्य there is no way a 40-year-old
Dude,
is
just
looking
give Agastya
younger.
Nanda a little fucking stubble, a little beard. It's fine, dude.
Agastya is 27.
So give him. He'll never get stubble in his life. What are you talking
I'm
about?
saying how are you trying to make a 42-year-old or a 40-year-old look younger than a 26-27-year-old?
मेरे भाई, how old was Ali Fazal when he played this role? How old was Amir Khan when he played the role? बता, तू ही बता भाई.
भाई आमिर
If your argument eats itself. It's what it is.
यार
तू
अगस्त्य
बता ना भाई, if that is your argument,
यार
tell me.
एटलीस्ट जो अली फजल था उसका कम से कम बॉडी स्ट्रक्चर वगैरह तो बड़ा है कि इंसान बड़ा तो लग सकता है.
So Ali Fazal is the age now that Amir was when he played
Which is?
Rancho, 39.
Okay.
भैंस की आंख ब्रो. 30 साल छोटा है, 20 साल छोटा है वो उससे.
Yeah.
फकिंग क्रेजी भाई.
It is what it
बट
is.
तब भी अगस्त्य नंदा से छोटा तो नहीं लग सकता है फहद फासिल भाई.
ब्रो क्या ही लगना है. एक गाने का आना है, प्ले करना है, चले जाना है. People, it's almost like all these roles are almost like legacy roles at this point. You know, doesn't matter who's playing it, right? Almost. In a sense, all these roles are iconic enough that almost anyone will be ready to play them. That's what I feel. If that is your criteria. But okay, I guess.
नहीं bro, अभी भी नहीं है अली फजल उतने. Amir was 44 when he played.
That's what I'm saying. 39 seemed too young.
Rancho.
39 did seem too young. Yeah.
I just feel like you have something about Nepo kids or what? You cast them in like these small
I had to
roles.
give people
One
the
sad
benefit of the doubt,
ending,
dude.
One
I had to-
laughing stock, one lisp.
Wow, yeah, maybe I do. I didn't think of it.
अनुपम खेर एक्टिंग स्कूल तो मैं भी गया था.
Yeah. I guess, yeah, dude. I have something against Nepo kids.
Nepo
I didn't
kids,
know
yeah,
it. Dude.
clearly.
Yeah, correct.
Right there.
Yeah, it's.
Okay, so now we have what?
आपका कौन है जॉय लोबो?
जॉलो मैंने बताया ना ये शशांक अरोरा.
ओ हाँ शशांक अरोरा.
Yeah.
ठीक है ठीक है. fair,
उसकी भी आंखों में दुख बसा हुआ
fair.
है.
सही बात है. उसकी
So
आंखों में
now we
जबरदस्त-
have the real Rancho and
That's it.
that's the only one,
Yeah,
right?
the real
Okay.
Rancho.
Played by Javed
Javed
Jaffri,
Jaffri,
the
the
original
original.
Mizan's dad.
This actor is the biggest actor.
Actually,
that I've
मैंने
casted.
like the guy who I've cast is also a very good actor for this particular role.
Yeah.
But he has one scene. I think he will pull the shit out of that one scene.
Same.
I've
भाई
gone
ये भी
for-
सेम तो नहीं है हमारा.
I've gone with Jaideep Ahlawat.
Oh no.
अच्छा, okay.
जयदीप पहलावत as Javed Jaffri.
No, but
I mean, it's
He
better
would have
than
been
mine.
better Bowman bro. बमन.
तो मैंने सोचा था
Bowman ही
इसमें
बोल
भी कोई एक मतलब माधवन या
हाँ.
इसको क्या कहते हैं नाम भूल जाता हूँ.
शर्मन.
शर्मन में से एक कर सकता हूँ. बट देन आई वाज लाइक
मैंने मैडी सोचा था इसमें.
needs a little bit of a heft तो मैं जयदीप
मैंने मैडी सोचा था
कर
इसमें.
लिया. But yeah, who's your real Rancho?
Jaideep is decent.
Rancho
Firstly, I would
was-
say Jaideep kind
जयदीप
of
अहलावत
works.
हाँ.
Kind of
मतलब
works.
वो दिखता है ना वो राजपूत टाइप.
I had gone for Abhishek Bachchan.
Oh.
Bro, he would have killed it.
Again, good option.
Mark
Mine,
Oster.
I don't have a great one, but very good. Both these very good. Abhishek was very good. Yeah, nice.
Because he looks like that the Amir kind who just went for engineering, came back from outside with an accent, with like किससे बात करनी है आपको? He looks that अमिताभ बच्चन का बेटा.
Abhishek Bachchan looks to you like an engineering student.
Bro, like the
No, looks like someone who didn't complete his studies and got someone else to study for him. That's what he said.
Fair, yes.
Fair. Everybody agrees.
Who's yours?
I don't have great. Both of your options in this
Oh.
particular one
Wow.
are better than mine.
Krishna Abhishek.
That's still better than what I am.
Kiku Sharda.
I have just for the sake of it. This was the last one I couldn't cast only.
Yeah.
So I was like, just who can I just throw in there for the sake of it? Who
Vikrant Masse.
you guys won't think of whatever in that way. I just for the sake of it put Vijay Deverakonda.
What? 4 quadrant movie बना रहा है फहद फासिल.
Yeah.
Vijay Deverakonda.
I want everyone in the country to want to watch it, dude. If only I'd put Diljit somewhere.
Vijay Deverakonda.
If only I'd put Diljit somewhere, it would be a more fully pan India classic.
राजू के रोल में दिलजीत डालना चाह रहा था. राजू नहीं, sorry,
माइक पे बोल दे भाई.
sorry. फरहान के रोल में या राजू के रोल में दिलजीत डालना चाह रहा था.
Can we put Diljit somewhere? But
Yeah.
I was thinking this guy also यार अपना फुकरे वाला सरदार. अगर उसको भी कहीं फिट कर सकते तो.
इसके लिए पता है, मैंने अभिषेक बच्चन वाले रोल के लिए मैंने नील नितिन मुकेश भी सोचा था. लाइक वो भी मस्त हो सकता है. Like again the same kind.
Where is he nowadays? He stopped doing movies over.
नहीं, he did very recently. He did a
Ek
film.
Chaturnar.
Chatur, हाँ, with Divya Khosla.
Imagine we're talking about him in Chatur.
In a movie.
In a movie that has
Chatur.
Chatur in it. That's crazy.
I don't find him to be like a terrible actor actually.
Yeah.
He's alright.
Neil
I really like New York
Yeah.
back in the day. But I don't remember that much. Oh, Johnny Gadar was great. dude.
Bro,
Johnny Gadar
players,
was
bro,
amazing.
Spider.
Oh, players से याद ही नहीं मेरे को.
बहुत ही बेकार.
That's what I heard.
That was our recasting. Should we do a recap?
Yes, I think we should because we've been told that up end में आप लोग सबका पूरा लिस्ट बताएगा बोला. क्यों
हाँ,
बताते?
exactly.
तो हम बताना पड़ेगा अब.
सही बात है, बताना भी चाहिए भाई.
बताना चाहिए.
1.5 घंटा एपिसोड
You
कर
wanna
रहे
go
हैं हम
first?
लोग.
Sure. My Ranchod Das was Divyendu. My Raju Rastogi was Jitendra Kumar.
Yeah.
My Farhan was Kumar Varun KV. My Chatur was Danish Seth. Viru Sastra Buddhe was Amir Khan. Pia was Sanya Malhotra. Mona was Manvi Gagru. The real Rancho was Jaydeep Ahlawat. Joy was Shashank Arora. And Suhas was Jim Sarp.
Alright. Say it.
My Rancho was Zahan Kapoor. Raju Rastogi was Bhuvan Bham. Farhan was Vijay Verma. Viru Sahasrabuddhe was Neeraj Kavi. Pia was Sai Pallavi. Mona was Pariniti. Chatur was Veer Das. Suhas was Jim Sarb. Joy Lobo was Naveen Kasturia. And real Rancho was Abhishek Bachchan.
Bachpan. All right. And my Rancho was Fahad Fasil. My Farhan Qureshi was Kapil Sharma, the better option. Raju Rastogi was Rajkumar Rao. Pia Sahasrabudhe, played by Kareena Kapoor in the original, was Kriti Sanon in this one. Dr. Viru Sahasrabudhe Virus was Paresh Rawal. That's, I feel, a very good option. Chatur was played by Ibrahim Ali Khan, which is not a great option. Mona, Kareena's sister in this movie is, for me, it's Pretty Zinta. Possibly a good option. Suhas is played by Mizan Jafri. Joy Lobo is Agastyananda.
You missed Pia.
No, Pia I did.
Who's the
Kriti
Pia?
Sanon, Kriti
Oh,
Sanon.
okay.
Yeah. Joy Lobo is Agastyananda and the real Ranchod Das is Vijay Deverakonda, which is weird.
विजय देवरकोंडा ने एक ही पिक्चर हिट दिया ना आज तक,
I
द
don't know,
ओरिजिनल
तेलुगु
कबीर
में
सिंह.
होगी यार hit.
Kalki.
कल की विजय देवरकोंडा की थोड़ी थी.
Oh, he was there in the movie. You don't remember? He played Arjun
ओह अच्छा,
in the
the flashback,
Mahabharata scene.
yeah.
Yeah.
विजय देवरकोंडा की मुझे कोई मेजर हिट याद नहीं आ रही कबीर सिंह के, जो अर्जुन रेड्डी मतलब.
Liger.
ब्रो स्पीच,
Huh?
उसमें भी तो उसको स्पीच प्रॉब्लम होता है.
Oh yeah, another character that works for Viral and for Omi. Okay. But that brings us to the end of this episode of Pop Conversation. Yes, we know, थोड़ा लंबा हो गया episode. But ठीक है यार, वो भी enjoyed यार. It was fun यार, मजा आया. Yeah. तुम लोग को मजा आया, मेरी गाड़ मार गया सालो.
भाई आप स्टार्टिंग में ओवरसेल करते क्यों खुद को, फिर बोलते हो आप भाई फहद फासिल, कपिल शर्मा.
See, the thing is also like I feel like you have to oversell so people are hooked till the end. कि अब क्या बोलेगा?
Exactly, yeah,
Okay,
yeah.
that's
Jab
view
wo, then
science.
Then it serves as a
View science.
punchline when he says the actual.
Yeah,
sense.
dude. You got see either way. You got to make it an entertaining episode. That's why.
Fair.
That's the thinking I come. Okay, I'm like, अगर कपिल शर्मा इनको अच्छा नहीं भी लगा, even making fun of the choice would be fun. You know, make it an entertaining episode.
He's taking one for the team, guys.
Always. Every single time I take one for the team. But you let us know.
Yes.
You're the actual judges. You let us know what you think of each of our castings. Whose was the best? Whose was the worst? For each of the characters, and then overall also. Please let us know all of that. Please hit the like on this video if you enjoyed the episode. Please subscribe to the channel. Become a member. We have some amazing perks which we give you less of from time to time. But we will get there. You'll एक देखना एक बार ऐसे बौछार करेंगे एक दिन
episodes की.
episodes की. Anything else to plug?
No, I'm good. Follow me on Letterboxd if you want.
Oh, yeah.
As Abbas Momin, and yeah.
What are you, Anurag Kashyap, man?
Yeah.
अंतरिक्ष अनुराग कश्यप के बाद मैन और बहनचोद में कंफ्यूज हो गया, उसने मैन चोद बोल दिया.
Did I?
Anyway, not important. अगर आप यहाँ तक देख रहे हो तो आपको ये चीज फनी लगी होगी, क्योंकि क्यों ही देख रहे हो ना,
क्यों
वरना
देख रहे हो
आप
यहाँ तक? मतलब आपको हमारा ह्यूमर पसंद
अगर
है?
याद है तो you really love us. Huh? Please check out the recent episode of That Film Game Show. The next episode of That Film Game Show is coming out soon.
Also, please tell everyone हमारा वाला एपिसोड कब आएगा.
यार आ जाएगा यार. Till you take a chill pill.
भाई कमेंट्स में लोग लिख रहे हैं इन दोनों का एपिसोड कहाँ आएगा, लेजी बुला रहे हैं आपको.
तो let them बोलने दो यार. आ जाएगा.
चलो आ जाएगा.
आने दो, आने दो.
You give us engagement. It's all good.
आने
Comment
दे.
again. Abbas Snail तुम्हारा एपिसोड नहीं आएगा actually.
वो
Only
actually
if I
क्या
get 100 comments asking for this episode, will it come out ever? Okay, thank you so much for tuning in, guys. See you
Bye.
next week. Bye bye.